scheduled in court today. How can I help? Okay. All right, bye.
There we go.
That's cut off for officers for civil infraction.
Hey,
Hey, good
yes,
morning.
sir.
Morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Always had a really good feeling. There have been times when I knew what people said, even though I had been fast asleep. Really tweet everyone out.
All right, who's ever got their television playing, can you either turn it off or mute it, please? Officer, well, let me find out who this is. Okay, Alicia Faust, morning to you. Alicia Faust, can you turn your camera on? Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Faust, do you have a case today?
I'm sorry?
Do you have a case today?
Yes.
Is
It's
that your
under-
full? You say that again?
It's under Lopez.
Lopez. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Your Honor, I don't mean to interrupt. Corporal Latch here. Ms. Foss is my complainant in my case.
Good morning to you, Corporal Latch.
Morning, sir.
And that's supposed to be a civil infraction?
No, sir. Leaving the scene of an accident.
Oh, she's the one that's supporting she's Guillermo case, all right?
Correct. She's the owner of the car.
Very well. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Now, you're welcome. And one more person was user. I don't know if they've ever, yes. Can you unmute yourself? I hit the unmute button, user. Can you state your full name, please?
Alicia Foss.
No. No, we've already talked, Ms. Foss. User, I'm sending you the prompt, unmute yourself.
Your Honor, is that Hughes that you're referring to?
No, Hughes, I want to know about Hughes as well. Are you an attorney now?
Yes, Your Honor, I am representing Mitchell Lindbergh, who's present with me, Your Honor.
Mitchell Lindbergh.
Lindberg, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Attorney Hughes, and good morning to you, Mr. Lindbergh.
Thank you, sir.
I am going to give you privileges. The city attorney meets in breakout room 4. What is it set for?
It's set for a pretrial, Your Honor. The first one.
Okay, Mitchell Lindbergh. So you'll meet in room 4. If your client takes a deal today, make sure your client is fully read and advised of his advice and rights, please.
Be glad to, Your Honor.
think that's it. Mr. uh, Officer Wilson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I don't mean to interrupt. I don't have a case today.
So why are you here then?
Well, I'm here because I didn't make a payment on my payment plan from last month, which I didn't know it was due last month. When they readjust, they moved my payments on the date.
Okay, so what's the issue? You got into a payment plan. You don't need to, there's nothing you need to do with the court anymore. Just fulfill your payment plan obligations and the case should be dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you. But I didn't make the payment of last month, Your Honor. That's why I'm here.
That's gonna be between you and the court downstairs, so you need to talk to them now. You're in the payment plan.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, be safe. All right, go ahead, Officer Wilson.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, or white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Morning.
Buenos días a todos, a corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estamos en sesión, le pedimos a todos que no estén manejando y que estén vestidos adecuadamente para la corte como que estuvieran en persona. Nada tapándole la cabeza a menos que sea por razones religiosas. No se permite que estén ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni durmiendo, ni tampoco fumando. Por favor, respeten las reglas. Y vuelvo y repito, bienvenidos.
I'm sorry, my honor. Darius Jr. has not been identified in the Zoom meeting.
That's what I was trying to identify. Ginier?
Yeah, Jr. G-U.
Let's see.
G-I.
Now, this Derek.
Yeah,
Okay,
Darius.
very, I got it. All right, good morning to you, both of you.
Thank you.
And I didn't hear my name, Catherine G.
Yeah, everybody else has been identified. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Everybody seems to be in the right place, so if I didn't identify you personally, I'm saying good morning to you now, and we're gonna get going.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
All right, I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in.
Voy a llamar los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar a los casos en el orden que se han presentado hoy.
I know there's a lot of people and everybody pretty much signed in around the same time, but there is an order and we're just gonna go in that order. So I'm gonna.
Sé que tenemos muchos casos hoy que casi todos le dijeron que se presentaran a la misma hora, pero vamos a llamar los casos en el orden que se presentaron.
All the attorneys, the city attorney is here. Good morning to you, Ms. Thorne. I'm gonna give you privileges. Everybody that needs to speak with the city attorney, go to breakout room 4, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, DeAndre Hall, good morning to you. Can you start your camera, state your name, your full name, please? It's not an option. You have to start your camera.
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you.
Good
And
morning,
what is
sir.
what is your
Deidre
name?
Hall. Deidre Hall.
Deidre Hall. Do you
Yes.
have a case, Ms. Hall?
Yes, sir.
I think you may be in the wrong courtroom. Let me check.
Okay.
Deidre Ann Hall.
Yes.
I don't see that you have anything open.
It's for Lorenz Richard.
I don't understand that.
The defendant, and it said Judge Perkins.
Now, are you a witness or something?
No, I'm the officer.
You're an officer.
Yes.
Okay, good. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. Then there was a Zoom user. Lastly, Zoom user.
I'm sorry, my last name is Officer David.
Officer David.
Yeah, Officer David. I'm for Nicholas Letitia Mateo.
Okay, Officer Jared David. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing?
Very well. All right, let's get the show on the road. City of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Ayanna Love, case number 1722161. That count, strike that, SP 17226, strike that, SP 1722164, counts 1 and counts 2, appearing to the record, please.
I'm sorry, I really didn't hear what you said.
I just introduced, just called your case, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Oh, okay.
Good morning,
All
Your
right.
Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Ms. Love. State your name for the record, please.
Ayanna Love.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Love. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait formal readings, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, Ms. Love. I'll give you a $0 bond. Ms. Love, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please, for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Swear or affirm that to the best of your ability to interpret the communication.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Jefferson Gutierrez, case numbers SP 1777844, SP 1781667, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, you broke up during the first case number, SP
1727841.
Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jefferson Gutiérrez. Números de casos SP 17278441 y 1781667, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. House Counsel Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, please state your full name for the record.
Buenos días, usted, su señoría. Habla la abogada Tanya Jenkins, P8263, representando al señor Jefferson Gutiérrez. Señor Jefferson Gutiérrez, por favor, díganos su nombre completo.
Buenos días. Mi nombre completo es Jefferson Samuel Malave Gutiérrez.
Good morning. My full name is Jefferson Samuel
Malave Gutiérrez.
Mala Gutierrez.
All right, good morning to both of you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Gutierrez. I'm gonna, Ms. Jenkins is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Muy buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa a juicio. La señora Jenkins va a tratar de conseguir usted la mejor oferta posible de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución de la fiscalía, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que hable con su abogada. Por favor, toque donde dice join o unirse. Toque su pantalla donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala privada.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, are we ready? Let's pass that matter. Are we ready on O'Brien?
Your Honor,
I was gonna ask if we could get an SOS check on Miss Love, please.
Ms. Love, can we get a SOS on Ms. Love? Ms. Mathis, if you see it, just a one, or no option, something like that, it's automatic. Are we ready on O'Brien?
Your Honor, I did have a pretrial with the officer, and we have an agreement. I haven't seen the city attorney to see if they're amenable to the same, but the officer and I agree. So there's an offer.
I think it's a simple infraction, so I mean, it doesn't necessarily, if the officer's comfortable with it, I'm sure.
Understood, then we're ready to proceed.
City of Detroit versus Edward Philip O'Brien, case number SP 179904441. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning to you and your staff, Judge Perkins. This is Attorney Paul Spaniello. My P number is 72366, and I'm here on behalf of Mr. Edward O'Brien.
All right, as for Mr. Edward O'Brien's, and good morning to you, counsel. As for Edward O'Brien's presence.
I'm sorry, Judge, there was some background noise. I didn't quite hear what you said.
As for your client's presence, counsel.
Oh, Your Honor, thank you. Respectfully, I'd like to move to have his appearance waived, as this is a civil infraction. I do have authority to enter into any plea of responsible on his behalf.
All right, based on that representation, I'll waive your client's presence. Officer Ndusky, good morning to you. State your name, badge, number, department for the record, please. All right, hearing no response, I did mark him as appeared. He was here on time. Go ahead, what's the resolution?
Your Honor, Officer Legowski was gracious enough to agree to amend to a blockading and dismissing the limited access 21 over.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Judge, yes, and plea responsible to the blockading.
All right, I'm gonna find the client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. I'll give your client until November 24th to pay it. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you, Judge. Have a great day.
All right, let's any other retained counsel ready? Mr. Dupree has a lot of cases. Miss Bradfield, Miss Love's license is valid.
Okay, I'm gonna bring her out.
Mr. Dupree, are you ready on your cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which one do you have? Give me one at a time.
Very well, Your Honor. To begin with,
Lindenberg is good?
no, Judge, it's Martez Lyons.
Martez Lyons, is Martez Lyons here? Martez Lyons, okay,
Yes.
City of Detroit. Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus Martez Lyons, case number U67809823. SP 14067491. SP 14641601. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, Ped 0132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Lyons, your name, please.
My name is Martez Lyons.
Judge, just looking to set this matter for a Zoom bench trial.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lyons. Mr. Dupree, your client owes $288. He owes some other civil infractions, but $288 would allow him to at least get clearances down here on that no insurance proof. I'm going to set a bench trial date for June the 8th, 2025. Mr. Lyons, if you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave, and best of luck to you.
Judge,
Mr.
I'm sorry, did you say June the 8th?
Here we go. The 8th, he's in the world traveler. He's got a zillion cases, and he wants the court to accommodate. What do you need, Mr. Dupree?
Well, Judge, I thought you said June the 8th.
I'm sorry, December the 8th, but I probably did say June the 8th because I wanted to be summertime.
I hear that. But yes, Judge, you are right that I'll be gone beginning December the 3rd. Is there any chance this could push into January?
Let's push it to December the 2nd, 1st or 2nd.
Give me just a moment, Judge. I'm just checking those dates. I should be able to do the 2nd, Judge, although it's possible I'll be in a jury that day, and I'll reach out if that ends up happening. It's a backup date that was set for a jury trial.
Let's do the 1st.
That's the day it's starting, so that the 2nd would be better.
Let's do the 2nd. Well, I'll get you in and out. You know, if you get in here, I'll get you in and out. Mr. Lyons, December the 2nd. December the 2nd. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, give me another one, Mr. Dupree.
Judge, next up would be Andre Gillison.
Mr. Gillison, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Andre Marquel Gillison. Case number U726244125. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, Ped 0132 for the defendant. Your name again, please, sir.
Andre Gillison.
All right, good morning to you. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial. You want a trial date, right? December 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gillison, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Dupree.
Next judge would be Nadine Lewis.
City of Detroit versus Nadine Lewis. Dolores Lewis, case number SP 1749291. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, Ped 0132 for the defendant. Your name, please, ma'am.
Nadine Lewis.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, and you want a trial date as well, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Trial date will be December 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. Ms. Lewis, if you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody else?
Yes, Judge. I do also have Cardale Lake, although I'm not sure he's here.
Cardale Lake, are you here? Lake. All right, you can come on back if we ever find Mr. Lake, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, be safe. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? That would be
Your
Ms.
Honor.
Brad.
Your Honor, my client has valid documentation. We move for dismissal of both counts.
Very well. All right, Ms. Love, I'm gonna dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You do the same, Mr. Perkins. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a great day. All right. Germany, Turner, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Cheryl Germany Turner, case number SP 1780324, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 178045331. Hearing for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Miss Jeremy Turner. State your name for the record, please.
I am Cheryl Germany Turner.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is
Good
the
morning.
day and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Bradfield's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, so can I say that I did email you last night 3 documents?
You can say that.
Okay, yep, I emailed you 3 documents last night.
Why don't you forward those to Ms. Bradfield? I'll forward those to Ms. Bradfield.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have Ms. Bradfield. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Gutiérrez. Señor Gutiérrez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con la abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, would it be possible to run an SOS check on his license? He does have valid insurance and registration. I saw his license. I got the license number, and I'm hoping for a full compliance dismissal.
Su señoría, ¿sería posible que usted pudiera revisar con la secretaria del Estado si el número de licencia es vigente? Ya yo vi comprobante de seguro de vehículo y de registro, vi el número de la licencia. Si usted pudiera, por favor, confirmar.
Yes, he just don't have to know.
Let's pass the matter. I need another retained counsel who's ready.
Pasamos el caso por un momentito.
Your Honor, I believe you had indicated that the matter for my client is dismissed.
Which one is that?
Carolina Gomez.
Says the City of Detroit versus Carolina Gomez, case number SP 1807706, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor. Hussein Salah, B72484, appearing on behalf of Carolina Gomez.
Okay, good morning to you, Attorney Salah. Ms. Carolina Gomez is your client here.
She is not.
All right, for the purposes of your client's waiver, your retained counsel, you have authority to enter into an agreement on your client's behalf.
I do, Your Honor.
All right, for that reason, I'll waive your client's presence. There was an officer fight here. and she has no recollection. I'll dismiss the case for no recollection. There's nothing further. Counselor, have a very good day.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any other retained counsel ready?
Judge, I'm sorry, what was Mr. Salah's client's name?
Carolina Gomez.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm assigned counsel. I'm not ready, but would you, good Monday morning to you, make me co-host, please?
Good morning to you.
Thank you.
All right, that is the end of appearances for trial for an attorney. For officer. Okay, Mr. Baughman. That's not it.
Judge, records for Mr. Michael Judge.
I don't know where he went now.
Okay. Are you on Judge Perkins' phone? Why don't you, are you in the building?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you zoom
All right.
in? You didn't even zoom in.
Did you run it?
No, for just zoom. Yeah, I ran it 3 times. Nothing.
All right, nothing came up for Gutierrez, Mr. Mathis. Now, she said, Ms. Jenkins indicated that she had you want to type that, give Ms. Mathis that, a ticket, that license number in the chat, so it can assist, she can, probably find it that way.
I did put the number in the DOB in a chat. It's the WC chat. Is that the right one?
If you can just read it to me.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
90001853594.
Is that a Michigan license? That doesn't sound right. Should have a letter in front of it too.
Yeah. That's too many numbers.
That's too many numbers. You indicated 4 zeros. It's 3 zeros in the chat.
Yeah, I made a mistake in the chat. Ms. Villaruel, can you ask him if there's any letters in front of the...
Señor Gutiérrez, ¿nos pudiera decir?
Sorry.
Okay, numbers are wrong, first and foremost. It doesn't sound like a Michigan license. He needs to go back in the breakout room with him, and he needs to give you a better license number, and you can find that out in the chat.
Okay,
Señor
thank you.
Gutiérrez, el número de la licencia no lo encontramos. Tenemos que regresar a la sala de consulta para explicarle de nuevo y acepte la invitación a la sala de consulta.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Will he receive a prompt, Your Honor?
I'm putting him in. He's gonna go. He's in. He will be in there.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
May I have one as well, please?
You always have it, Ms. Jenkins. You should. All right, I'm gonna send you to 5, but yours is always open.
You mean co-host?
You're co-host as well, aren't you?
No, Your Honor.
You should have been. All right, you know how to get back into the breakout room, so don't you?
If I'm co-host or if I have an invite, yes.
No, even if not, once you're assigned, just for future reference, once you're assigned, you should always be able to get back in there until it changes. Even if you're not co-host.
Oh,
All right.
thank you.
You're welcome. All right, are we ready on anyone? Any retained attorneys here that are ready?
Okay, you're scheduled at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, 1:30.
All right. Well, we're waiting now.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I think I've even spoke with an attorney or anything.
You're in line, Ms. Lee.
All right. My apologies.
You're in line. It's gonna be a minute, all right? Okay, any retained attorneys that are ready?
Your Honor, I need to talk to Liddell and Lopez. I have an offer for both of them.
The Lopez, I haven't seen yet. Liddell, Chris Liddell is here.
Okay, I need to talk to him for a second.
Put you in 5 with the, go to 5, Mr. Liddell, Chris Liddell. Your attorney's gonna meet you in room 5. All right, make sure his advice or rights are read to him if he takes a.
Okay.
I haven't seen Carol.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, me dolió. Yes.
Judge, I need to either speak to the officer or the attorney. Justin Zayed on Bryce Gates.
I didn't even see you come in, Counselor Zed. All right, now, and who are you here for?
Bryce Gates.
Gates. Oh, civil infraction, you can go, let's see, you gotta mute yourself. Everybody's gotta mute themselves unless I called your name, please. Okay. I haven't seen either officer Reed. Yeah, Sergeant Reed is here. Is Sergeant Javaris Reed here?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you. All right, I'm gonna put you in 4. Go to 4, Mrs. Zayed, and see if you can talk to the city attorney. It may be, she's in there now, so go to 4,
Okay,
please.
okay, thanks.
Your Honor, when I went to the breakout room, Mr. Liddell was there, but he's muted and he wouldn't come out.
Well, you gotta get him to unmute. I don't know what to do about that.
All right, you got us in 5.
I got him in 5. I'll try to pull him out and ask him to unmute, but. All right.
Your Honor,
Okay, who's next? Who's that?
Your Honor, I would like to speak with the city attorney on my tickets. I don't know if
Go to 4.
Gabrion and Lachani.
Go to 4.
4?
I've given you to go to 4. I'll put you there. I can't pull him out, Attorney Reed, Attorney Taylor. He's not coming out. All right, we ready on Gutierrez? No.
Yes.
There's another license thing on Gutierrez here. Do you see that number, Ms. Mathis?
I checked the computer.
The other number
The number that she gave me.
is M900.
Okay. She put it in the chat.
Yes, but I think it's directly to me though.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Let me see.
That's okay. You just want to read it to me?
Yeah, go ahead.
You said it's M900
001 853 594. That's not bad. It's valid. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor Gutiérrez. Señor Gutiérrez, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué va a hacer usted y su cliente?
Thank you, Your Honor. I had an opportunity to review Mr. Gutierrez's registration and insurance. They're both valid. It's my understanding that his license is valid as well. Therefore, we're respectfully requesting a compliance dismissal.
Gracias, su señoría. Sí, yo revisé con el señor Gutiérrez los documentos que él tenía. Registración de vehículo, seguro de vehículo, los dos están vigentes, válidos. También tiene él una licencia que está válida. Por lo tanto, respetuosamente, pido que le desestimen los cargos debido a que él ha cumplido.
All right, case dismissed for provide valid documentation. Mr. Gutierrez, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, entonces el caso queda desestimado debido a que él pudo proveer documentos válidos. Si no tiene algo que agregar, señor Gutiérrez, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Bueno, que tengan un feliz día. Muchas gracias a la abogada y que pues tengan un feliz día a todos.
I wish everyone a pleasant day. Thank you. And a particular thank you to the attorney who helped me.
De nada.
You're
Best of
welcome.
luck.
Bye.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Marie Long, case number SP 1794739, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Long. Ms. Long, please state your name for the record.
Tiffany Marie Long.
Good morning to you, Ms. Long. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Long, with Ms. Jenkins, and Ms. Jenkins is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, good morning.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Villaroo, you're here for Guillermo as well, right?
Yes, Your Honor, that is so.
All right, he has not appeared, so if you need to go and check into another court, feel free to do so.
Thank you, Your Honor. I do not need to do so. I'll just wait here with your permission.
Very well.
Your Honor, I'm ready on Liddell, and you saying Lopez haven't appeared yet?
No, Lopez has not appeared.
Okay, we're ready on Christopher Liddell. He's going to plead.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Liddell, case number SP 1746542, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Christopher Liddell. Mr. Liddell, would you introduce yourself, please?
Christopher Liddell.
Your Honor, I went over Mr. Liddell's rights, and he'd like to avail himself of the people's offer. The driving while license revoked will be reduced to failure to display.
Okay, Officer Yaha, is that the correct pronunciation? And good morning to you, Mr. Liddell.
Good morning.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yeah.
Understand that you have the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Taylor went over the other advice or rights and breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Mr. Officer, is that Yaha? Can you give me the correct pronunciation, please? It's Officer YAHIA for Liddell. Officer for Liddell, please. Now, normally I would have them join in, Mr. He's re-signing on. Normally I would have them join in with their camera because Mr. Liddell should be able to face his accuser, but if that's not an issue, then we'll continue on.
Hey, Judge. My
Yes.
apologies.
Okay, there we go. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Yahia, badge 2667, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. All right, let me draw your attention, Mr. Liddell.
What's the ticket number?
Did you already go over his advice rights?
Yes, Your Honor, we did.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August the 23rd, 2024. Does that work for that? No. We are.
Say it one more time.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 28th, 2025, around 9:07 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area, Wickham and Elmira. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
You got to answer, Mr. Liddell. Yes. You got to answer the judge.
Let me draw your attention back to June 28th, 2025, around 9:07 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Wickham and Elmira. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
I don't hear you.
Yes, yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
I didn't have mine.
You didn't have a valid license, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240. When can you pay it, Mr. Liddell?
Friday.
Pay it by, what is that, the 14th? November 14th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's something further, Mr. Liddell, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Officer Yahia, you be safe out there and have a very good day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Cheryl Michelle Germany Turner. Ms. Turner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel, client, plea.
Yes, Your Honor. She would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation to block gating.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Turner?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
Today.
All right, I'm gonna give you until tomorrow to get it in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it now. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Can you repeat you said I can pay it on an app? What was the name of that app again?
DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T.
DIVDAT?
Yes.
And
they have them in the Myers and the places as well.
I'm sorry,
right.
officer. I'm sorry, Judge. I cannot. It's a lot of background noise. I apologize. I didn't hear the second part.
DivDat. They have them in the Myers and other places.
Myers. Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
All right, wait until it says 175, ma'am. Blocking traffic.
Okay.
All right. Very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Maurice Gray.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm trying to find out why you're here.
It sent a paper in the mail that I had court today.
Do you have a middle name, sir?
Lanier.
Lanier, okay, good morning to you. I don't see anything open for you.
Okay, thank you.
What was on that case? Do you have a case number on that paperwork to make sure?
Let me go look. Hold on. You ready for the numbers?
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I'm ready.
SP 17.
Hold on. Let me put it in now. That's not coming up. SP 17.
86
Okay, you might have to click some.
9031.
All right, all those cases are closed. 1, 2, and 3. All those cases are closed. If there's nothing further, Mr. Garrett Gray, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, City of Detroit versus Angel Latrice Gaston, case number SP 172757661. Appearing for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Gaston. State your name for the record, please. I'm taking my camera off. My name is Angel Latrice Gaston.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
All right, this is about the third or fourth time, third time at Ms. Gaston. You missed your court date. This is about the fourth or fifth time. All right, we're gonna start putting cash bonds on you if you do not show up and you miss another court date. Ms. Gaston asked for an appointed attorney last time. I can see that never happened. Do you still want an appointed attorney, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, we're not gonna miss any more court dates. I'm putting the cash bond on you, all right?
Yes.
Is this phone number the same that you had, 7797?
Yes.
I'm entering not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond this time. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date on December the 8th, you know the deal. Then we'll appoint one for you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
December the 2nd, I'm sorry, December the 2nd at 8:30.
Okay, I'll be there.
I hope so.
I'm not gonna forget this time. I have a memory loss. I was in a car accident, so I'm sorry if I can't remember.
Write it down, ma'am.
I'm writing it down right now.
In your cell phone or something, please.
I am, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, that gets me down to Ledbetter. I think Ledbetter is Mr. Baughman's client. So Griffin Jackson, I don't know if Griffin Jackson had an attorney appointed to her or not. City of Detroit, Ms. Griffin Jackson, did you have an attorney appointed to you?
Yes, I did.
Who was that attorney?
Picano.
Yeah.
I don't know if I said it right.
Yeah, I'm a Perkins. All right. All right, we have to wait on him. Pull her file, please. Ledbetter's file as well. Let's go down to O'Neill. Quinn O'Neill. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Morning, Chief.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Quinn David O'Neill, case number SP 179-15191. Here, for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. O'Neill. State your name for the record, sir.
Quinn David O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. O'Neill, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Tiffany Long. Ms. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an adjourned pre-trial. What about a trial day?
That works too, Your Honor. She'd like a bench trial.
The trial date, Ms. Long, is going to be December the 8th, 2025, at 9 a.m. Nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right, Bernard Liggins, are you there? It's the City of Detroit versus Bernard Liggins, case number SP 1785135.
Yes, I'm right here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
I'm right here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Liggins. Mr. Liggins, please state your name for the record.
Reynard Liggins.
Good morning to you, sir. Day and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Liggins, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass that matter. Attorney Mammoth, are you ready on yours?
Yeah, I didn't know if Attorney Amber Lee was relieving me, but I could put it on the record. I have two of them, Your Honor.
Is Amber Lee, Attorney Lee, are you, good morning to you?
If you could handle it,
Oh,
Steve,
yeah.
that would be great.
Well, I might get called into Judge Archer, so go ahead, please. Sorry.
Who's gonna do it?
Amber, are you doing it or me?
I'm in
Okay,
another
I'll
court
handle
right
it.
now.
Your Honor, go ahead. Go ahead.
Who's the client?
We have Lacani or Gabrion, one of the two.
City of Detroit versus Laura Beth Gabrion, case number SP 181-61491. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, today's day and time set for a hearing in this matter. I had a chance to speak with opposing counsel. The opposing counsel is amending the original citation to impeding, blockading traffic. I have authority to plead to that matter, and we stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for probable cause, Your Honor.
Okay, Officer Delbowski, good morning to you. Are you there? He was here. With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Have your client pay it by November 24th, 2025.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On that, we'll move on to your next client. Is Gabrielle here? I thought Gabrielle was here.
Ma'am.
I am.
Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Laura Beth Gabrion.
Gabrielle, I'm sorry. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
It's the offer. The offer is impeding traffic, Miss Gabrielle.
Yes, I will.
Okay.
0 point offense, doesn't abstract the Secretary of State. I call it an expensive parking ticket. When can you pay it, Ms. Gabrielle?
I can pay it immediately.
All right, pay it by tomorrow, November the 11th. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those ways go through immediately. If you're nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Will your appearance again, please? Case number. Did you call the case number?
Your Honor, I did.
Well, 1 second, stop. Case number Laura Beth Gabrion, SP 1816149 Detroit. All right, Ms. Gabrion, you're free to leave.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Hold on one second, Mr. Mamet. Who's your other client?
Lacani.
Lacani. City of Detroit versus Willette Lacani, case number SP 178-32361. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant, Lacani. Your Honor, today is the daytime set for a hearing. I had a chance to speak with the opposing counsel. Today is the date and time. Your Honor, they've offered a impeding traffic to amend the original charge. I have authority to take that offer, Your Honor. I stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for probable cause, Your Honor.
Okay, is Lacani here? Is Lacani here? As for Lacani, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I am here, Your Honor.
Start your cameras. Good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Yes, my name is Walid Lacani.
Very well. Good morning to you. With that stipulation, I find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Mr. Lacani, when can you pay it?
Sir, I can pay the fine right now.
Make sure it's in here by tomorrow. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Lacani. If nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that it?
That's it.
All right. Best of luck to you. All right. Let's go with anybody else ready? Mr. Taylor.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Mr. Lopez is not here, and I got to go to another courtroom, Your Honor. So I can check back if you want me to.
You can.
Okay, I'll check back a little later. All right, thank you.
All right. Who's ready? Zayed?
I'm ready, Judge. Justin Zayed.
All right. Who's your client?
Bryce Gates.
Versus Bryce Gates, case number SP 178-30731. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Zayed, P81051 on behalf of Mr. Gates, who waives his presence for today's proceedings.
You're retained counsel and you're authorized to enter any agreement on your client's behalf?
Yes, and yes, Your Honor. Date and time set for a formal hearing. I have had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney at this time. They are amending the ticket to a blockading, and we will stipulate for purposes of probable cause to the four corners of the ticket.
With that representation, I'll waive your client's presence. Sergeant Reed, are you there? All right, Sergeant Reed was here. With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175. Have your client pay it by 24/2025. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
The other retained counsels ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
And your client is
Lindbergh, Your Honor. Hughes for Lindbergh.
Lindbergh. Let's see. It's the city of Detroit versus Mitchell John Lindbergh.
Thank
Case
you,
number
Judge.
SP 179-01751. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Kathleen Hughes, appearing on behalf of Mitchell Lindbergh, who's present with me via Zoom. We've had a chance to speak to Ms. Horn. We'd like to set it for a trial, so we have time for a little bit of discovery. An offer has been made, which will stay in place. We're hoping to resolve it short of a trial.
Very well. Trial date is going to, Mr. Lindbergh, state your name for the record, please.
Mitchell John Lindbergh.
Very well. Good morning to you. Trial date is going to be December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thanks for calling the case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation for a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, Mr. O'Neill?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Could you repeat that, sir? There was some background noise.
The maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. Miss Williams Law.
I apologize. Is the printer going at the same time as what was interfering?
Okay. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yeah, she did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Nope.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 20th, 2025 at around 6:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodward and Adams. Were you in that area around that date and the time?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Did you have some alcohol?
Yes.
Were you consuming that alcohol in Grand Circus Park?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. $240 will be the fine. I'm gonna give you a review date of February the 10th, 2026. Is a 3-month delayed sentence. If you don't get in any trouble like this, and you pay that $240 fine, come back on February 10th, 2026 at 8:25 for review. We'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
So, I have 3 months to pay it.
You have 3 months to pay it.
And if I pay it tomorrow, is it dropped?
No, it's gonna be 3 months. It'll be dropped on this February the 10th. If you don't get in any other trouble like that again.
Okay, understood.
Nothing further. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
And how do I pay? How do I pay?
You pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can take to pay it, sir. There are other ways to pay it. Those are just the two best ways. There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. I'll get on.
Thank you. Good. This is the city of Detroit versus Kevin Darnell Green. Case number SP 179-86223. Appearance in the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please. Kevin Green.
Kevin Green, he's on the phone, so he needs to press *6 to unmute yourself. *6 to unmute yourself.
Hey, Mr. Schroeder, what you want to do? What's up?
*6 to unmute yourself, Kevin D. Green. Kevin D. Green, press *6 to unmute yourself. All right, we'll pass it. Stephen, he unmuted himself now. And Mr. Green, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Kevin Darnell Green.
All right, morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Bradfield, Mr. Green has an old retail fraud case. He has a warrant out for his arrest. He will need to get in contact with the judge. I don't see a judge on it. Case number 980-556. 556-3301. And we'll find out. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay. Thank you.
He's in there, Ms. Bradfield. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Liggins. Mr. Liggins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is that what you want, Mr. Liggins?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is gonna be December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Have a very good day and the best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
You as well.
All right, thank you.
Stephen Grant. Yeah, press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Grant. *6 to unmute yourself, please. Stephen C. Grant.
Okay, that would.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Craig Grant, case number SP 17892781. Appearing for the record, please.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, please state your full name for the record.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Grant. *6. *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Grant. Hearing no response. Grant, press *6 to unmute yourself. I'm sending them the prompt. And there's no response. Let's pass that matter. What about Larion?
That's fine. All right, bye.
Is that Marissa? No, I'm sorry. Gershon. O'Reillyana.
Gerson Orellana. I don't know if this individual needs an interpreter, Your Honor. Gerson Orellana.
Oriana.
Yes.
Good morning to you. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Yes.
Spanish?
Spanish.
Espanol. Okay, I do not see that person on the docket. Ask him his full name, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Señor Orellana, ¿nos pueden decir su nombre completo, despacio?
Sí, es Gerson Eliud Orellana Hernández.
Orellana Hernandez, Your Honor.
Do you see him on the docket or do you have a docket?
I was not given a docket, Your Honor.
I do not see him on the docket, Your Honor. I'm looking now.
Ask him, does he have a case number,
Yes, Your Honor. Señor Orellana Hernández, ¿por acaso tiene usted el número de su caso?
Mm, mm.
Puede que comience con SP. It might begin with SP. Puede que comience con SP.
Or you.
O la letra U.
All right, we're gonna pass that.
Bueno, vamos a pasar su caso por un ratito.
All right, let's go down to Hernandez Lopez. There's Hernandez Lopez.
Señora Hernández López.
Así soy yo.
Yes, that is me.
Good morning to you.
Buenos días. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is that Marciela Hernandez Lopez?
¿Y su nombre es Marcela Hernández López?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, do you have a case number now?
¿Por acaso tiene usted el número de su caso, señora?
Sí, claro.
Yes, of course.
What is that case number, please?
¿Y cuál es el número de su caso?
Ok, es SP
Ajá.
179487772.
SP 17948772.
This is Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, you finally unmuted yourself.
Yes, I don't know how to, I'm a elderly handicapped person. I don't used to know how to, but
All right, give
okay.
me a second, Mr. Grant. Ms. Lopez, you're not supposed to be here until Wednesday, November the 12th at 8:30.
Señora López, usted no tiene que estar en la corte hasta la fecha 12, que es el miércoles. Así que usted necesita regresar el 12 de noviembre a las 8:30 de la mañana a esta sala. Okay.
Correcto.
Correct.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. See you Wednesday.
Así que tenga usted buen día, señora, y la vamos a ver el miércoles.
Igualmente, have a good day.
Have a good day. Same to you.
Okay, let's go back. Let's call the city of Detroit again versus Stephen Craig Grant, case number SP 178927881. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, will you please state your full name for the record?
Stephen Grant.
All right, Mr. Grant, day and date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Jenkins is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Grant, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
He's in there. He doesn't have a license. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
All right. Any other retained attorneys ready? On Lakhani, the Lakhani fled corporal rule. The city attorney made it a deal with him.
So we're all good?
You're all good, corporal rule.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Judge, sorry to interrupt. It's Attorney Justin Henry. Could I have the state prosecutor, please?
That's what I was going to ask for your attorney. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you.
For Attorney Henry on your client, right?
Yes. Thanks.
Is your client here?
I have the authority to do everything without him present. I was going to waive that.
Go to breakout room 4. Sergeant Brow,
Yes, good morning.
good morning to you. Today, who are you here on?
Yeah, I'm going to be here. It's going to be an offer to engage. The defendant's name is going to be Michael Owens.
So Sergeant Brow, you've long passed the cutoff. We have a 9:30 cutoff, a half-hour grace period. So whatever time you're scheduled, in this case, it will be 9:30. It's well past that time. Okay, I can let you speak with the city attorney if you need to, but we're going to dismiss the case. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right. So what do you want? Do you want to still speak with the city attorney?
Yeah, if I can.
All right, I'm gonna put you in 4.
Okay, thank you.
Judge Jefferson, very well. Okay, any other retained counsels here? We're waiting on a lawyer, so. We're waiting on a lawyer.
No.
Mr. Garrison, did you find your case number?
Señor Gerson, ¿usted encontró ya su número de caso, comenzando con letra SP o U?
Es una que comienza W8695.
Is it one that begins with an E and a U and a W, 8695?
No.
No.
We don't have a case number. Begin E and U and a W, right? E U W. I've never seen a case number start.
E-U-W.
No, he's like, if the case number starts with the EUW.
¿Usted está diciendo que el número de su caso comienza con las letras E, U y W?
Sí.
Yes.
No, I don't, that doesn't ring a bell here at all.
No, no nos parece que va a ser así.
And with that case number, I can't even help you to a courtroom. I don't have any clue of where that case number arose from.
Porque sin un número correcto de caso, ni puedo ayudarlo a pasar a la sala que le tocaría, si es otra sala, no esta. No sabemos.
Sí, porque me dijeron que tenía que llamar hoy, que era mi corte hoy.
Yes, I was told that I needed to call in today. I had a court date today.
Want me to wait or what was your point? It was last week I missed a court date. This is my son Elliot, the new lawyer.
Oh, good morning to you. All right, see, you're gonna learn. Can't bring any donuts.
Judge, my secretary forgot to put it in the. There's just a stupid traffic ticket. I just talked to Tamika. She said get it.
Ajá. ¿Me puedes encontrar el...
I hope there's no glaze.
You're not taking me back in the lockup, Judge. Now, I've been calling your brother to try to get me out of this mess since Saturday. He hasn't returned phone call.
Oh.
My favorite interpreter.
That's everybody's favorite.
I know. Elliott's going to take the bar exam. He was the one who went to work with Kyle Harrison. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, right.
About to take him out. I'm going to send it to you. December the 8th.
December the 8th.
I'm coming first. Oh, right. I love coming first. Judge, nice seeing you.
Congratulations to you too.
Thank you. If you ever see your fine brother, tell him I've been trying to get hold of him. Okay?
I will tell him. Oh, no. Come on.
Todd. Yeah. Todd is this is the better looking Perkins right here.
You know what to say.
See, by staying off the phone, see how well you look, Judge?
Here, guys, thank you. All right, I can't eat in front of everybody because I don't have enough room, but I'm gonna have more for later, all right? All right, thank you. He's got a whole-
Your Honor, nice seeing you.
December the 8th.
December the 8th. You know what day that is? Immaculate Conception, Judge.
Yeah.
Feast of the Immaculate Conception. I'll see your brother in church, then we'll come here.
All right.
Hi, guys.
No, they're your-
Oh, thank you, sir.
All right, anyone ready?
Judge, Attorney Justin Henry, I had a chance to speak with the prosecutor on Larian. The trooper didn't appear, so I'd be motioning for dismissal and she wasn't objecting.
No sé lo que dijeron una palabra ahí, pero-
State of Michigan versus Keegan Edwin Larian, case number SX46116341. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Justin Henry, on behalf of and without Mr. Larian, I have authority to act on his behalf today. This matter was scheduled for formal hearing at 8:30. It's now approximately 10:30. The trooper failed to appear. I'd be motioning for dismissal, Your Honor.
With that representation, we retain authority to appear on that time. I'm going to waive the client's presence and is there a trooper? Harbaugh, hearing no response, and I'm not seeing that trooper join the room. I'm going to grant a motion to dismiss.
Yo creo que es esta.
Have a very good day. Everybody.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
All right. Where are we ready on?
Grant,
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a deal.
yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Grant, you want to take the deal, failure to display? It'll be $240.
Your Honor, he's seeking community service.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Grant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this the best phone number to reach you?
Yes.
Do you have an ink pen?
An ink pen?
Yes.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Yes, okay.
You need to write this number down. This is the number is 313-965-8130.
965-8130.
Exactly. That's the number to Community Service Coordinator, Ms. Shelton. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Jenkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I understand the rights.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Well, she didn't advise me, okay, the penalty, so I'm willing to commit myself to the community service.
Well, you know, by taking the deal, let me ask you this. Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give the rights up that she advised you of your rights, right?
Well, She didn't really.
So let me ask you this, let me ask you a different way. So essentially, all those rights that she went over, you have a right to a trial, you have a right to call witnesses, you have a right to remain silent, all those rights, you understood all those rights, right?
Yes, I'm gonna waive them. I'm gonna waive it up.
And you're gonna waive those rights, right?
On the condition that.
Listen,
Okay, for
stop,
me to.
stop. It's no condition. It's no condition. Just answer the questions. I understand that you want community service, but let's understand that by taking any deal today, you're gonna waive those rights. You understand that, do you not?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 10th, 2025, at around 11:07 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and McNichols. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
Because my license revoked it.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. I'll order you to do 12 hours of community service. You need to call that number. Well, you don't need to call that number. I'm just giving you that number for reference, okay? That 965-8130 number. Community service should call you. You shouldn't have to call them. But if you find that they don't call you within the next week or so, you can either get back in touch with the court or you can call that number. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be the community service coordinator. And I'm giving you till December the 11th to complete the hours, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. And you say that's how many hours?
12 hours.
12 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any further questions, Mr. Grant?
No, I have no further questions.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Marissa Gatson, case number SP 179-20241. Appearance for the record, please.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Gatson. Ms. Gatson, will you please state your full name for the record?
Marissa Danielle Gatson.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the day and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gatson, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. Attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Ms. Bradfield, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Who your client is, Mr.
Kevin Green. Yes,
Let's go
Your
back
Honor.
with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to exercise his rights to a bench trial. He is aware of his jury trial rights.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, it is.
All right. Is this the best number to reach you?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I'm going to give you a trial date of December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Also, to get that other cases assigned to Judge Patricia Jefferson. So you need to contact Judge Jefferson's court to see how they want you to handle that warrant. All right, it's an old case, so I don't know how they want you to handle that warrant. Okay.
What year is that, Judge Perkins?
It's like 98.
98?
Yes, 98.
Wow.
So that's almost 30 years old.
I just don't understand it. Because I've never been to jail, never been fingerprinted, never been handcuffed.
Well, You might be this time. I don't know.
I don't know. We're fine. I'll address it.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right. Jamie Livingston.
I'm here, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning to you. This is supposed to be, I could have talked to you a long time.
That's what I said. I was like, I didn't know how to reach out to you though. And then I did try calling Skiati, so I don't.
Let's call Skiati. Let's give Mr. Skiati a minute. Give me a few minutes, all right?
Okay. I told you it wasn't gonna bounce back.
You say what?
I told you it wasn't gonna bounce back.
Wasn't gonna bounce back?
Yeah, you remember when you had talked to me, you was like, well, you gotta make sure it's in the system because people money be bouncing back.
What this
My probation as far as that last payment.
Oh yes, you did say. And also I see a whole lot in there. Out in short order, Ms. Livingston, if everything is still good.
Okay.
All right. Leach, Kevin Leach. Is Kevin Leach there? You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. Kevin David Leach.
Mr. Martin, can you please come in down to the courtroom for Jamie?
The City of Detroit versus Kevin David Leach, case numbers in 764-69211, SP 11001228, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 11001421. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Leach. State your name for the record, sir.
It's Kirk, K-I-R-K, David Leach, not Kevin.
I'm sorry, Kirk Leach, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. Date is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, wait formal readings, ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leach, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Is this the best number to reach you at, Mr. Leach?
Your Honor.
I didn't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. He's in there, Ms. Bradfield. Let's pass them out. Okay, any retained or appointed counsels ready? All right, we're waiting on the lawyer.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to talk to Miss Prosecutor Horn again. Thank you.
All right, you need to go to 4.
Oh, she's in 4? Okay. I didn't know
She's not there yet, but she will be. I think she stepped out. I didn't see.
That's good. Thank you.
She told me she stepped to 437. She's in 437. Okay. For Lisa's gone. Let's see where Griffin Jackson. Did we get the attorney for Griffin Jackson in here, please? Please. She's there. And then for Ledbetter, that must be Mr. Boffin. Mr. James Durant. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. Do you want me to appoint you an attorney on this? If you want to appoint an attorney, I can get you out of here. If you want to speak to one of the attorneys today, we can allow you to do that as well. What would you like to do?
Whatever I need to do to get my bill paid or whatever that I owe my tickets.
Well, you don't owe anything yet, because you haven't been found guilty.
That's true. I'll take an attorney.
You want attorney? Our City of Detroit versus James Guerin, case number SP 1267835, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Guerin, state your name for the record, please.
James Guerin, G-E-R-E-N.
I'm sorry. Dave, let's call the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. I'm going to set the matter for a pretrial date on December the 2nd, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure this appointed attorney has contact with you. If that appointed attorney has not contacted you by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. You understand?
Okay.
All right, I need a good phone number from you. Either you can say it out loud and let everybody know in the world, or you can put it in the chat. Which one would you like to do?
I'll put it in the chat.
I put it in the chat, and then I'll ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney again by December the 2nd, 2025 at 8:30, we'll appoint you on the spot, all right?
Okay, thank you.
As soon as I get that number, you'll be free to leave. Mr. Bachman, are you ready on anyone?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor, I am.
If you put it to WC CR434, then that will come straight to me. If you could put it to everybody, I don't think everybody's looking at the chat. Who are you ready on, Mr. Bachman?
Judge, I'm ready on Michael Owens, please.
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you.
Still haven't gotten the number from Mr. I'm gonna wait on that number. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Michael Owens, case number U69656-124. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Mr. Owens, please give the court your full name.
Michael Owens.
Judge, we're asking for permission to have the court enter a no contest plea on behalf of the defendant.
Before you start that, officer was not here on time. I indicated to her that the case would be dismissed for her untimeliness.
We did discuss that, Judge, and after having a discussion and the willingness of Sergeant Brown to reissue that and discussing the matter with the defendant, he's agreed to enter into a revised and better offer, Judge, that he would enter a no contest plea for lack of recollection, that the case would be reduced to disorderly conduct and thereafter dismissed upon payment of whatever fine you assess according to your discretion, Judge. It allows that the defendant would still get the case dismissed and will not have to suffer the peril of possible reissue.
Very well. Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Falcon went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Mr. Balkin, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor, for the purpose of today's plea, so stipulated.
Stipulate the okay. With that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client, I'm gonna enter a no, what is the purpose of the no contest plea?
A lack of recollection.
I'm gonna enter a no contest plea for lack of recollection. That no contest plea is gonna be treated as a guilty plea. And with that stipulation, I'm gonna fine you $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, sir?
Judge, we need 2 weeks, please.
I have one question. I thought that there was going to be nothing guilty.
It's no contest, sir.
No contest pleas are treated as guilty pleas for the purpose of sentencing.
Okay, because I have another court matter that I wasn't supposed to have like police issue about. So
Well,
I didn't want
before
any.
you discuss this any further, Your Honor, can we let me just have a reconsultation with my client to see if he wants to move forward.
All right, Greg.
Mr. Owens, you're going to need to join the breakout room again, please, and thanks. I'm
Okay.
sorry, Your Honor.
Pass the matter. No worries. Ms. Bradfield, are you ready on your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that is Leach. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leach. Mr. Leach, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial date about 6 weeks out. He's paid everything in Michigan that is holding up his license. I'm going to mute you for a moment, Mr. Leach. There's feedback. He's paid everything in Michigan that is holding back his license, so he's waiting on clearances to come through. He's a Tennessee resident, and he's trying to get his license in Tennessee. So he's waiting on clearances from Michigan Secretary of State.
Well, why don't we set a pretrial date for December the 2nd, and then we go from there as it relates to that's 1, 2, that's 3 weeks, and then we go from there as far as the trial date or whatever. He may be able to take care of it sooner, just to keep it on track.
Okay, Your Honor.
December the 2nd, Mr. Leach, at 8:30, come back and we'll look on that valid driver's license. You understand? At 8:30.
December 2nd.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Leach, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Officer Sanders. I don't see Officer Sanders on the docket.
What the hell?
Mr. Sciotti, are you there?
Hi, Judge.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Lily.
Hello, I'm here.
Is that Charvet? Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Bill, this is the city of Detroit versus Charvet Brielle Lilly, case number SP 178-30701, SP 178-90431, SP 178-90571. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lilly. State your name for the record, please.
Charvet Lilly.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. There is a disregard an officer's signal that has probably gone into default. I wouldn't have any issue with setting the default aside if the city attorney does not have an objection to it. Ms. Lily, I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, Your
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when we come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Jamie Jazz Livingston, case number Z8093581. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please, Ms. Livingston.
Jamie Jazz Livingston.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Sciatti. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, can you give us, the money is here. Is there any other requirement? Is there any other requirement that Livingston needs to make if you have comments on us or lack thereof?
Yes, Judge, it is a lack of thereof. Probation department was excited that she's finally complied with probation, but it saddens our department now because even though she complied with all the special conditions, she has now violated statutory condition number 1, which is about 3 weeks ago. What we do is we do a check to see if she received any subsequent drunk driving cases, but she did not. But we found out on October 23rd, she was charged with an assault and battery in our court. That case number is 250-464-3102. Subsequently on that new case, there's a warrant out for her. She's not convicted on that. She just got charged with that. Your Honor, and the probation department is going to make a very, very generous recommendation. And that is, we're recommending, Your Honor, this case be closed without improvement.
I'm sad to hear that, Ms. Livingston.
I'm sorry, what'd I do?
I don't know what you did.
I wasn't aware of that. What'd I do though?
You may not have done anything to exercise your right to remain silent, but the allegation suggests that you have an assault and battery case, a new assault and battery case.
When?
Let me look it up.
Because I know the last time I got interviewed.
Don't say too much.
Okay.
Say too much.
Okay.
The allegation was made on September the 7th, 2025 at 4:38 p.m. by victim Stacy Johnson.
Oh, that was if I may.
Ms. Livingston.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I want to hear you. That's between your attorney and Judge Millicent Sherman. That's you have a warrant out for your arrest. As it relates to this case, one of the conditions was to not pick up any other misdemeanor cases or any cases. And,
right.
There's an allegation out there. I understand Mr. Sciatti wants me to close this out without improvement. Other than this case, Mr. Sciatti, what is it that are we satisfied on every other condition?
Yes, we are, Your Honor. She had a couple remaining things, completing the alcohol highway class, reporting dropping urine, and also paying all the money, and she has done those requirements. Yes.
Those preceded this date. Huh? I'm just going to close it out. I'm not going to close it out without improvement. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt now.
Can I ask you a question when you're done?
You may.
I can ask you now.
Yes.
So, within self-defense of that case, I know that's not your case. There
you go.
I don't know how to really go about that.
I don't want anything to know about this.
No, that's what I'm saying. I know you don't. I know you don't. But I'm just saying, how do I go about with that?
Well, you go to, first of all, you turn yourself in to Judge Millicent Sherman.
Okay. What district is that?
Same court downstairs. Where's Sherman's? I'll give you the telephone number.
Courtroom 538.
538.
And what 538?
And that's courtroom 538-965. 2565. You can call them and you can how to turn yourself in on that.
Oh, okay.
All right. I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt, and I'm gonna close this out. And I'm not gonna close it out without improvement, Ms. Livingston. So it's closed out, ma'am. I do wish you the best of luck. You are, I believe, eligible if you haven't gotten another open alcohol, operating while intoxicated case. If it's only one. Now in the state of Michigan, the governor and legislator allows for a one-time expungement of that. You have to go through the period of expungement in order to be eligible for that, but it's only for one time. If you get another case and you find guilty on that other drunk driving case, God forbid, then you won't be eligible. Okay, so I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you are willing, are not gonna get this in front of you again, and you'll be able to get it put behind you and get it expunged.
All right, thank you.
Sherman's court, call her court, ask her how their procedure of turning yourself in on that other case, and I wish you the best of luck.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Robert Michael Lewis, I think we already talked to. What about Davina? All right.
Thank you, Judge. I see you. I see it. You too.
Devonna Nicole Green, are you here? Is Devonna Nicole Green here? All right, let's get back on track here. Mr. Boffman, are you ready on Mr. Owens?
We're ready, Judge. We're gonna seek dismissal on that one.
All right, so you're not gonna take the plea.
We're glad to have options, Judge. We're gonna, under the circumstances, need to pursue our motion.
The motion is to dismiss. I'll dismiss the case for the officer being late. All right, if there's nothing further, I'll waive the warrant.
Which case, Judge?
Well, let's go back on the record with Michael Owens. Let's go back on the record with Michael Owens. Off the record, counsel indicated that his client wants to seek the dismissal for the officer being late. I will grant that motion to dismiss, and I will waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, go ahead. That was. Go ahead, Mr. Boffman. Who do you have next?
We are ready on David Hilton Lindsay.
Mr. Lindsay, are you there?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
Is this Hilton Lindsay Jr.?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus David Hilton Lindsay Jr. Case number is SP 1717895, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1717896, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
David Hilton Lindsay Jr.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is going to waive his right to move further and resolve these matters here today. The prosecutor has offered that if he pled to 1 count of improper plate, 1 count of blockading traffic, both of those are no-point offenses. The That would satisfy the prosecutor that they would close all the remaining cases. I believe there are 3 matters for which I stipulate to probable cause that would be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. He's ready to give you a guilty plea to the 2 matters.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lindsay?
It's my first time hearing about it. I'm not sure what.
Oh, speak to him. He said he hasn't heard about it, Mr. Baldwin.
Well, Mr. Lindsay, if you want to discuss it further, I can place you in the breakout room.
And we're talking about blocking traffic to improper plate. Make sure that's his vehicle. Well, he doesn't have to, if that's his vehicle. Make sure he gets the factual basis. But what is the blocking traffic going to?
The blocking traffic is right for the moving violation.
There's no moving violation. It's disregarding officer's signal.
Okay.
All right, we'll put it on one of the. All right, go to the breakout room, Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Bachman is gonna go over the offer with you. Pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Gentleman never put his. Mr. James Duran never put his number in the chat, so he's not. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gadsden. Miss Gadsden, I'm giving you an Miss Gadsden, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take the deal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that true, Miss Gadsden?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and
Yes.
4,000 fines? Wait till I finish. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Jenkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
By taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me call your attention back to September the 10th, 2025, around 11:14 p.m. City of Detroit, the area of Woodward and Adams. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol?
Yes.
Were you drinking that alcohol in the public now?
Yes.
All right. I'll find your client guilty as charged. There'll be a 3-month delayed sentence. Pay it by February 10th, 2026 at 8:25 is your next court date. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid and you don't get in any other trouble like that, Ms. Gadsden, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. You said February 10th at what time?
At 8:25.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, man. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, too.
Thank you.
Well, City of Detroit versus Martell Oliver, case number SP 178572441. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes,
Tana
Martell Oliver.
Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, your name for the record.
Martell Oliver.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Jenkins is going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Oliver. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Did we ever get it? Let's pass the matter. Did we ever get in touch with Perkins? All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lilly. Ms. Lilly, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to ask for an adjournment of pre-trial. She's going to take the driver improvement course and take her test to get her permit.
All right, I'm going to give you an opportunity, one opportunity to get this stuff done, ma'am. December the 2nd, 2025, at 8:30 is your next court date. I wish you the best of luck on getting that permit and taking that driver improvement course. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
I'm sorry, repeat that date again.
December the 2nd
Okay, December the 2nd, what time?
at 8:30.
8:30, okay, thank you.
Pardon me, Griffin Jackson.
First name is Linda.
Yes. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tierra Leggett Parrot Prince, case number, or Leggett Prince, give me the correct pronunciation, case number SP180400311, appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Leggett Prince. State your name for the record, please.
Is Ms. Leggett Prince here? Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please.
Tierra Leggett Prince.
Leggett Prince. All right. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial, Ms. Leggett Prince. Ms. Bradfield is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Anyone ready, Mr.
Judge,
Soroki or
yeah, we're ready on Darius Ginyard.
Darius Ginyard?
Yes. He's in the room.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
All right. Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Darius Ginyard, case number U715122925. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Darius Ginyard, Your Honor.
Ellen Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Ginyard. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Soroki, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes just plead guilty to the charge of no business license.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Ginyard?
Yes, sir.
What's going to be the recommendation by the city?
Your Honor, basically, the city didn't. It's just they didn't give me a recommendation. It's just a dismissal.
Oh, no, you said plead to it. Take your scarf off, Mr. Ginyard, unless it's for religious purposes, please. If it's for religious purposes,
I'm
it's
a Hebrew,
fine.
yes. Yes, I'm a Hebrew, sir. I'm Hebrew, yes, sir.
Okay, so go ahead. It's no delayed. Is this an as charged or?
Yeah, it's just as charged to no business license.
All right, this is, you want to take the deal, Mr. Ginyard?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Don't be a $200 fine. All right, raise your right hand, please. Other right. Do you swear or affirm the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may I say, sorry to interrupt, but I just got a text back from the prosecutor. This is now being offered with a 12-month delayed sentence. So if he pays the fine in full and doesn't get any more similar tickets, it'll be dismissed after 12 months.
How much?
All right, you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
She's in court today for trial. Judge Perkins.
Mr. Ginyard.
How much is the 250 was? I'm trying to figure out how much is it?
It's going to be a $240 fine, but it's 90 the maximum possible penalty is the maximum of what I can do is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Okay, sir.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You might have to break that room again.
Uh,
You need to
Wait a
go. You need
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Mr. Soroki, did you
Right.
go over advice of rights?
Yes, I went over his rights with him.
No, we need
Who's
to.
that in the background? I need the person in the background to not speak. Don't answer any questions for Mr. Ginyard. If Mr. Ginyard has any questions or doesn't understand something, I'm gonna allow him to say that, and we'll get him a better understanding, okay?
yes, sir.
Mr. King, do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand, Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, a right to an attorney, a right to remain silent, a right to call witnesses. Did he go over those rights with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about it?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention. Hold on one second. Let me draw your attention back to July the 16th, 2025, around 4:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 17626 Woodward Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that around that area around that date and that time?
I'm trying to figure out how the question is, sir, again.
On July the 16th, 2025, in the city of Detroit, in the area of 17626 Woodward Avenue. Were you around that area, around that date and that time? Were you at
Yes,
that
sir.
location?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that location?
The laundromat, or
The laundry-
the laundry coin.
Yeah, down there at Woodward and 6 Mile?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And what were you doing there?
I'm a worker. I was
Say that-
working here at my job at the laundromat. I'm a worker here. I don't own any business, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on. My case. Cause
So let me ask you this. You work at that laundromat, is that correct?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Were you selling some cigarettes?
No, sir.
All right, no deal.
All right. I don't sell anything, sir.
Why are we here, Mr. Soroki? Why are we not setting this for trial?
Your Honor, I think the part about the cigarettes is maybe that was put in the computer wrong. And I don't have a copy of the ticket yet, but basically, we're here because he was the only employee in the store that has no business license. He's pleading to no business license. The part
Okay.
about the cigarettes, I think that's just some error in maybe a clerk putting that into the computer system.
11-2-1 is the statute that it was written under. It does have a copy of the ticket saying no business license. Now, how does that implicate Mr. Ginyard?
Because he was the only employee at the time in the business, and as the only employee, it was acting as manager. Or, just basically running it.
You know, if he's acting as manager, I think that he's just working there. I don't know what the statute says about business license, but I can't seem to come to that, if he just has a job at a place of business and he's just an employee, are you a manager there, Mr. Ginyard?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, and he's just an employee. How's he to know that this place doesn't, is he supposed to go down and make sure they have business license before he gets a job?
No, Your Honor, but the way the city ordinance is written, it says that owner or manager, and basically, if he can go to trial on it, if that's, if he's not if he's not managing the business and he's there, and the owner just leaves the business and has no manager, that's fine. We go to trial, have a bench trial on it too. Set it for the same date. It's just the statute. I don't agree with the statute, but the statute tries to implicate or includes any person that's a manager working at the business.
Yeah, I don't think it's any testimony that he's been the manager at. He
Right.
just tells me not. But
Thank you.
And then the ROA is wrong. It's not a cigarette dealer license. It's just the ticket reads no business license at this location. I don't know the stats. I don't know the ordinance and haven't read it, but it just seems hard to believe that just because he works there,
Right.
that he can get a ticket, and unless there's more to it, and I guess we'll have to see if there is more to it on the date of trial. All right.
Right.
Do you have his contact information?
Yes, Your Honor, I have his contact, and the owner of the business is with him on this Zoom too. And he's, the owner of the business is going to be paying the ticket, and basically, but we'll set it for trial. We could do it December 5th at 9:00 with the other trial. Or that's
December 8th.
What's a good day for you, Your Honor?
December 8th is the next day.
December 8th. Okay, let me look here.
And Your Honor,
That's
Tamika Horn, on
fine.
behalf of the people of the city of Detroit, I'd like to know the defendant's name. And Mr. Soroki, will you be filing motions, pretrial motions regarding your belief and your argument that he is not responsible? I'd like to respond in writing, Your Honor.
All right. Darius Ginyard is the defendant's name. The copy of the ticket is here in the file. The ROA doesn't reflect accurately what the ticket reflects, so that was a wrong entry. It does have a statute number, an ordinance number 11-2-1, and the issuing officer's name and things like that, and the address that the alleged incident happened at. And it just has on the ticket no business license, so it says cigarette dealer on the ROA. So all right, so other than that, we'll set a trial date for December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Ginyard, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
And thank you, Your Honor. And Madam Clerk, if you don't mind, would you please send me a copy of the ticket at your earliest? Okay, thank you.
You're free to leave, Mr. Ginyard. Anybody else? Mr. Soroki.
I have to be put in a breakout room with Alana Lloyd so I can give her her offer and see if I can resolve that case.
Alana Lloyd, I think I don't see her anymore. She was here. I don't see her anymore, Mr. Soroki.
Okay, well, she doesn't. She only has a couple minor tickets. I'll get her to come back to the court and get her case resolved. Thank you. Let me see if she's not.
And Your Honor, if the people can have co-hosts, just so I can check in, I will have to leave shortly. I do have a trial in another courtroom.
Can we make sure all of the defendants have offers before you leave, please?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you.
Alana Lloyd is here. I see her in the room, Your Honor, in the main session.
I do see her. Okay. Lloyd, are you ready on Alana Lloyd?
I have an offer, Your Honor, but I haven't discussed it with her yet, so I'm not at this point. I'm not ready yet to go on the record. If we can put me in a breakout room with her, I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
to breakout room 6.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Lloyd. Go to breakout room 6. All right, let's go. Are we ready, Mr. Baughman, on anyone?
Ready on date, or excuse me, let's go to Richard Lawrence, please.
Richard Lorenz. Lawrence.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Give me correct pronunciation, sir.
Lorenz, Richard Lorenz.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Richard Lorenz. Third, case number SP 1729116, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Richard John Lorenz III.
Judge, we've discussed the matter. The defendant is going to waive his right to a finding of fact or trial. He's going to plead guilty to 1 count. That would be littering. There's a recommendation to dismiss the other count for disorderly conduct. And 12-month delayed sentence. I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation and the dismissal. And he's ready to give you a factual basis to accept his guilty plea here.
Well, if he's littering is a civil infraction, but I tell you what, I don't like it at all. You're coming from Illinois, sir?
Yes, I live in the Chicagoland area.
And
Me and my wife were just there for her birthday weekend.
Do you throw your trash out while you're in Chicago or in Great Gage Lakes, Illinois, in your neighborhood?
Normally not, no.
So why do you do it when you come to the city of Detroit?
It was a mistake. I took
No, it wasn't a mistake. It absolutely wasn't a mistake.
Yes.
It was only a mistake because you got caught. You intended to throw it out, did you not?
I did. I threw it into a construction zone, yes.
You're just throwing your trash in the city. Give me the file, please.
Hold on, let me check.
Trial. So the disorderly conduct is being dismissed, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause for that.
Yeah. Yeah. That's something that, come in our city and just throw your trash out. All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor, for the purpose of today's plea, so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, find your client responsible as charged to the littering, $170. You're gonna pay that today. You're gonna figure out how to pay it today.
No problem.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I know you probably are not in the city of Detroit. I'm told you, div that out to your phone, or you can get somebody to come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There are other ways you can pay it online. You can pay it, but those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Go to the 36th District Court website, the other ways to pay it. It's disappointing to see a grown man throwing his trash around city of Detroit, and I hope that you don't make this a habit anywhere.
No, sir, I don't. And I very much enjoyed and you have a beautiful city, and I was in the wrong. I apologize.
We're trying to keep it that way. We're just, everybody talks about
Yeah, babe.
how bad it looks, how dirty it is. We're trying to keep it that way.
whole house and then the water system underneath the sink.
There's a lot of background noise. I didn't catch anything you just said.
I said, we're trying to keep it that way, sir. We wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
All right, anyone else, Mr. Hoffman?
Joshua Ledbetter is ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Joshua Darnell Ledbetter. Case number SP 1767180, SP 1767190. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Ledbetter, give the court your full name, please.
Joshua Darnell Ledbetter.
Matter is set for trial. Trial was set to begin at 9 a.m., Your Honor. I do not believe the good officer who prepared the citation of question in this case has checked in. That officer's name is Aragon Fernandez. Francisco Fernandez Aragon, Your Honor. Fernandez Aragon.
Okay, Horn, have you seen that officer?
I have not, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303.
I don't
My motion
see
is
that.
for dismissal without prejudice. My client's been advised.
I don't see that name on my list. I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer, there's nothing further. Mr. Ledbetter, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, Mr. Ledbetter.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Honor, I'm just wondering if I can release an officer.
Guillermo?
Yes.
Latch, Corporal Latch?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then the Ms. Fox.
Correct.
We never had, Guillermo never showed.
Okay.
I'm gonna release the both of you. It would be a $0 bond, failure to appear bench warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, be safe, Ms. Foss, and be safe, Corporal Latch. All right, let's move on down to, who do you have, anyone else, Mr.
David Lindsay, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel,
Yeah, I'll be.
what does your client want to do?
Judge, I'm moving to dismiss this case. There is an officer who appeared on the case ostensibly to give testimony, but the defense is not trial ready, Your Honor, for the reason that we requested on October 17th discovery in this matter. We did get some paper discovery, some things, but not those things that we believe would contain information that would exonerate my client. The video dash cam body camera, we believe, would show that my client did not commit the violations in question. And for that reason, we are asking respectfully if you would consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice. My client understands that if the prosecution wishes to, it would be able to reissue these cases. But we're asking today that you consider dismissing them for violation of the 21-day rule of discovery in this case.
Well, based on that, I will entertain a motion, but I will give Ms. Horn an opportunity to respond to the motion. You indicated to the court that there was some discovery that was presented, so I don't know if that will warrant a complete dismissal because of the which you alleged a discovery violation. I don't know if there's any other discoverable material available.
Yes, sir.
So that we have to, I'm going to give Ms. Horn an opportunity to respond to your motion, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that, Mr. Ledbetter? I mean, Mr. Lindsay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me give Ms. Horn an opportunity to respond. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Soroki, are you ready on Lloyd? You're free to leave, Mr. Lorenz.
I was just trying to pay online and I'm having problems with your payment center.
DivDat, DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, and you can upload that app to one of your devices, DIVDAT, and you should be able to pay it that way. It'll go through instantly.
Can you say that again, please, sir?
DIVDAT.
DIEGAT. Thank you very much.
All right, wonderful.
Good day.
Latch, you're free to leave. Guillermo never showed. And Faust, Alicia Faust, Guillermo never showed. You'll get another notice potentially if we find him.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, be safe out there, Corporal Latch.
You too, sir. Thank you. I'm assuming KP is issued.
Yes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, did you want Mr. Orellana to continue to wait?
Well, I don't know. I told him I don't know how we can help him unless he's come up with another case number. Ms. Foss, be safe. Have a very good day.
Thank you, you too. Señor Orellana, ¿usted ha encontrado otro número? Mr. Orellana, have you found another number?
I don't know. Wednesday, you can check Wednesday.
What's his name? Oregon.
Oriana. O-R-E-L-L or G-R-S-O-N.
Solo tengo el caso del ticket, nada más. No sé.
I do not have the ticket number. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how we can help you then.
Porque me dijeron que hoy me tocaba la corte.
Oh, hold on. Oriana Hernandez.
Orellana Hernández. Señor?
Mande.
Excuse me.
Yeah, Oriana Hernandez.
¿Es usted Orellana Hernández?
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that's me.
Okay, come back on Wednesday, the 12th.
Señor, usted necesita regresar miércoles de esta semana, el 12. El 12.
¿A qué hora?
At what time?
8:30.
At 8:30.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
El mismo PIN, ¿verdad?
With the same PIN number?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, be safe.
Esté bien, cuídese.
Igualmente.
Same to you. I think that'll be it for Spanish-speaking defendants, Your Honor.
Yeah, I think so. If you want to ask if anyone else that would be fine.
Absolutely, I can ask. ¿Hay alguien más aquí que necesite un intérprete de español?
All right. Ms. Villarreal, good to see you always, and we'll see you soon.
Yes, Your Honor. Take care. See you soon.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms.
I have a question.
Hold on, Gilmore, your question.
Hi, yes, I was waiting to see when my thing will be called. I've been on since 8:35.
I already know. I'm just taking them in the order that they came in. You're on the first page, and we're almost down to you, but I'm just taking them in the order that they came in. You're about 5 names down.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Judge.
Here we go, Officer Davis.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to know if my defendant actually came in. I'm sorry, I had another case. I was at 36.
Who's your defendant?
I think it was Nicholas Letitia Moss. Mateus.
I thought she appeared, but now I don't know. Who's that? Was your client, Mr. Soroki?
Moss?
No.
No.
Mateo Latisse.
No.
Yeah, I do not see that person on my list. If you want to put your name in your number in the chat, just in case, I'm looking up the list now. And
Letitia Moss.
Mateo. Letitia
Yeah. No,
Nicholas.
I don't see that person on the list, so you're free to leave, Officer
Okay.
Davis. Be safe.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
All right, let's go with, what about on Miss Bradfield's case? What about Leggett Prince?
We're
Your
waiting
Honor,
on Alana Lloyd too, Your Honor.
you ready on me, Your Honor?
Let me get Alana Lloyd.
Okay, I don't know who, okay.
City of Detroit versus Alana Lloyd, case number SP 1770744, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
My full name is Alana Lloyd.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lloyd. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Soroki, what does your client want to do?
Yes. Your Honor, my client wishes to accept the offer. She'll plead to a 3-month delayed sentence and being in park after it's closed. And the no insurance ticket and the expired plates tickets will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lloyd?
Yes, I would like to take the deal.
Can you raise your hand, please? Right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Correct.
Understood those rights?
Correct.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Correct.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 21st, 2025, at around 11:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Linden and Auburn. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, I had a friend helping me do DoorDash to make money. I was unfortunately on medical leave over the summer and needed help driving, so they were helping me drive in. I pulled over to take a break.
And that's the city park, right?
Correct. It was pretty much the closest thing nearest to me. Yeah.
I mean, I guess, you know, that's the defense, but I mean, it's a strict liability offense, so you just can't be in the park after dark.
Understood.
All right, find your client guilty of the as charged of the being in the park after dark. 3-month delayed. I'll give you until February the 10th, 2026 to pay it. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. It's $240 fine. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, if you don't get any other trouble like this and you have it paid by February the 10th, 2026 at 8:25, which is your next court date, then we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, is that it, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor. Have a good day to you and your staff. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with what about Miss Leggett Prince?
Your Honor, it wasn't her car that she was driving. She showed proof of a registration, full transparency. The registration expired in August. The stop was October, but the car was.
Okay, so did you talk to Miss Warren about it? Because this is a no insurance misdemeanor. It is the let's go back on the record with Miss Leggett Prince. There's a no insurance misdemeanor that Miss Leggett Prince is charged with. It is a misdemeanor that they charged her with it. It is the city's obligation to prove that this was Miss Leggett Prince's vehicle. And if they can't prove that, then in fact it was not her vehicle, then they should have written her for a no proof of insurance civil infraction. But
I agree. I'm just waiting on a response from
all right,
Ms. Horn.
well, let's pass it until we get that response. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record where Mr. Martel Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a delayed sentence.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
I will say, I don't know if you both know that just because of this delayed sentence, it will, if you don't get in any other trouble like this, it will come off your record once you pay the fine and don't get any other trouble. But it won't wipe away the 2 points on your driver's license.
Oh, it won't? Okay.
It will not.
Okay.
All right.
You want you want to accept the 2 points, or do you want to see if Ms. Jenkins can get you a better offer? Or you can set them out.
I mean, I'll talk to Ms. Horn and see if I can get a better offer.
Please.
All right. Very well. Very well. Just wait, sit tight. Well, Mr. Oliver, go back and break out room 3, okay? Wait on Ms. Jenkins to see if she can do something, get something better for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right, let's pass the matter. Are you ready, Mr. Bachman? Lindsay, did you figure out anything? All right, now we'll just wait on a lawyer.
I'm ready for the next client, Your Honor.
Ready on the next client. Let's call the city of Detroit versus, is that Alarion LaShawn Loper? Give me the correct pronunciation, please. You have to start your camera, Ms. Loper.
Okay.
Is that your correct pronunciation of your name?
Alarian.
Yes, give me the city of Detroit versus Alarion LaShawn Loper. Case number SP 1780884, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Anthony Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Loper. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Alarion LaShawn Loper.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant by a counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, she stand mute, wait formal readings, ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Loper, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right, Eric Lewis. Eric Lewis.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, what brings you here, sir? I don't see you on the dock. What do you have, a middle name?
Eric Jason Lewis.
Eric Jason Lewis. Oh, Raymond on the bench. Okay, I do see. You want an attorney appointed to this case?
Yes.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit. This is Eric Jason Lewis, case number SP 1777586, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. I mean, state your name. Oh, okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, your name for the record.
Eric Jason Lewis.
All right, date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel, for purposes of arraignment.
Thank you, Your Honor. We would ask that that the bench warrant be set aside, stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I do need a good phone number from you, Mr. Lewis. You can either say it out loud or put it in the chat.
Okay, I'll put it in the chat.
That number is set so that attorney can contact you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then
Okay. So it says when I'm trying to, okay.
okay. All right. All right. So answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear the appointed attorney by your next court date, which is February, strike that. December the 2nd, 2025 at 8:30. We'll get one appointed to you on the spot. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
All right, appreciate you. Have a good one.
All right, he's welcome. All right, Robert Gorman.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is City of Detroit versus Robert Gorman. Case numbers B 14353825, B 14353925, B 14354025, B 14354125, SP 177-01521. Appearance for the record, please. Is Ms. Jenkins? Oh, she's left. Mr. Gorman, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Gorman.
All right, do you want us to appoint an attorney for you on these cases, sir?
Yes, please.
All right, now I need a good phone number from you as well.
I beg your pardon. What did you say, Your Honor?
I need a good phone number from you as well. You can either put it in the chat or you can let the world know whichever you want to do.
I can give you a telephone number.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Gorman.
313-556-6747.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, which is going to be December the 2nd at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
This is the City of Detroit versus Melinda Diane Griffin Jackson, case number SP 175-00481, SP 175-15271. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicon, 84918, appearing on behalf of Melinda Griffin, date and time set for. Ma'am, yourself and state your name for the record, please.
Ms. Griffin Jackson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Melinda Griffin Jackson.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Was there an officer Morris, T. Morris, that ever appeared? Did you speak to the attorney, city attorney, Mr. Perkins?
City Attorney Horn indicated they had not seen or spoken with an officer, Tierra Morris. I do not. That's checked in today. Based on that, we for.
You're breaking it up some, but I think we understand that you moved for a dismissal for no officer. I do not see an officer T. Morris on my list. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss based on no officer. If there's something further, Ms. Griffin Jackson, have a very good rest of your day. Case dismissed.
Thank you, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, best of luck to you both.
Thank you.
Ready on Garrett Landry when the court is ready.
City of Detroit versus Garrett Landry. Case number SP 17647-321. Appearance for the record, please.
Joe O'Connell, P9 on behalf of Garrett Landry. Time set for a bench. Landry, unmute your full name for the record, please.
Garrett Landry.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Landry. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Randall. It's in an odd spot, that's for sure. All right. Officer Randall, did you have any understanding of Officer Randall, please, Ms. Matt?
Spoke with City Attorney Horn. Chief Jasmine Randall did not speak.
It's almost like every couple of words your device is breaking up.
Sorry, is this any better, Your Honor?
Yes. Oh. All right, go ahead.
It's my understanding that City Attorney Horn did not speak with or see Officer Jasmine Randall this morning. I do not believe that officer has checked in. Based on that, we would be requesting a dismissal this morning.
My case dismissed. Mr. Landry, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day to you and your staff.
Best of luck to you both.
Thank you.
Well, Mr. Baughman, Mr. Baughman, do you still have anybody? What's Mr. O? You want to speak to Ms. Horn? You need to go to 37. Ms. Horn is in a trial.
Yeah, we spoke about this earlier. She understands that for reasons germane to having the case reissued and whatever the clients have to go through with regard to that she extended some better offers. However, Mr. Lindsay is not able to avail himself of that, and we are making a motion in his case.
I still want her to make a record, because what I anticipate is if I just dismiss the case without a record and giving her an opportunity to respond, then they're going to have an issue with that.
Yes, Your Honor. So I have two cases that are in that
Same
area. Yeah. So I'll wait for her to return.
Who's the other one?
Antonio Lee.
Antonio Lee. He's here. Okay. All right. So she's in 437. If you have her number,
I do.
You can text her and let her know ahead of time.
I did, Your Honor. I've already texted her about both cases. I just let her know that we're waiting for her to make the record here.
Okay, that day's date and time set for trial. Now, did Antonio Lee's officer appear? Good morning to you, Mr. Lee. So, one officer, I see he did appear, and I don't know if Linton appeared. So, all right, let's give them opportunity to be heard on that motion. Now, was there any discovery made on Lee's at all?
One moment while I'm verifying for both cases, Judge. So for Antonio Lee, Antonio.
Oliver Mitchell. Martell.
My discovery request was made October 17th. And I'm showing that I was copied on a request made by the prosecutor today for David Lindsay. And I'm not showing that any discovery was received for Antonio Lee, not even paper discovery.
Ah!
Who's that?
Andrea LeBrock.
For David Lindsay, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Discovery was requested on October 17th by my office, and there has been no discovery returned to me. I'm showing that on October 24th. Let me see.
Judge, did we
All
go
right.
on David Lindsay?
We haven't gone on. Let me get some cases done and then we'll get. All right, let's go back on Oliver. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Martell Oliver. Mr. Oliver, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, as far as I know, the 12-month delayed sentence on the open alcohol passenger is the policy of the prosecutor's office. I sent a text to Madam Prosecutor and haven't gotten any answer. Is there any way the court would consider giving less than 12-month delayed sentence?
Well, I don't think the issue is that. If that's the prosecutor's offer, then I can't impose my own sentence if he makes that agreement. I think the issue really is not necessarily the 12-month delay. Is if he pleads as charged, he's going to get 2 points.
Yeah, it's about the 2 points.
Yeah, I think that's what the issue is.
Yes, that's the big issue.
Right. So, whenever you plead to a moving violation, in this case, it's considered a moving violation, I guess, because you have 2 points. Either open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver and open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger are 2-point offenses. And whenever you plead to something that abstracts to the driving record, even in the case of a dismissal, even if it was dismissed upon payment, the 2 points would remain on his record.
I wasn't driving.
I've explained that, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'm sorry.
It is the open alcohol in a motor, those charges.
Period.
So a lot of times the city offers for open alcohol in motor vehicle driver, they'll reduce it down to a passenger. I often tell people that's a non-offer because you're still getting the same 2 points. You're still paying the same $240 fine. In this case, you're charged with open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger, and the city's reduction that they offered was for as charged, and they'll just dismiss it upon payment, dismiss it on whatever the stipulation, 12 months, 3 months upon payment, or whatever the agreement was. You won't have the misdemeanor on your record if you comply with all the terms and conditions, but you'll still have the 2 points on your record. So that's the issue. So Mr. Oliver will wait and pass the matter to see if give Ms. Jenkins an opportunity to again approach the city. I'll tell you, the city is in courtroom 437. I think she indicated that Ms. Horn indicated that she was in a trial. So let's give her a few more minutes and we'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you can handle, this is the City of Detroit versus Jacqueline Lee, case number SP 1775771. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, your name for the record?
Jacqueline Lee.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for and pre-trial. Ms. Lee, in these tickets, discharging a firearm in the city limits, I impose, if you're getting found guilty, or if you plead guilty to it, I'm gonna impose the maximum fine of $500. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. If you want an appointed attorney, then make sure you let Ms. Jenkins know that. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Bradfield, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, I'm ready on Miss Leggett Prince. It will be a dismissal.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Leggett Prince. Ms. Leggett Prince, the case is dismissed per city attorney. All right, correct, Ms. Bradfield?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, have a very good day, ma'am, and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, you too.
All right, you're welcome. Ms. LaRock. What happened with Loper?
I'm waiting on a response from Madam Prosecutor.
Very well. City of Detroit versus Andrea LaRock, case number SP 1556913, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1795759, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield, you said LaRock?
LaRock.
On behalf of LaRock, please state your name for the records.
You need to unmute yourself, Ms. LaRock. Is she around? She is not here. We will pass that matter unless she's in a breakout room. All right, I do not see Ms. LaRock. Let's pass the matter. She was here making all kind of noise. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go with Gilmore. Monique, you're up.
I'm here. Here's a mess, but
You had time to prepare. City of Detroit versus Monique Gilmore, case number SP 18032351. Here to the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Miss Gilmore. State your name for the record.
Monique Gilmore.
Good morning to you, man. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Your hair is not that bad. Ms. Gilmore, Ms. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Another noise.
Thank you.
Ms. Gardner, you're up next, so get you a chance to get yourself together if you need it. Houston is here. Officer Houston was here. Or Officer Houston, man. Officer Martin, I have not seen, so I'm gonna give the Antonio Lee, City, and Mr. Deshaun Sean G, is that supposed to be G-E? E, yes.
Yes.
Let's see if he don't want you. Let's see if he has a valid license. That's Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gilmore. Ms. Gilmore, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what is your client going to do? This is a dismissal for $5 documentation. Wait on Ms. Bradfield to come on the breakout.
That's the case then.
Let's pass that matter momentarily. City of Detroit versus Destin Lawrence, case number SP 1799237. Mr. Lawrence, state your name for the record, please.
Destin Lawrence.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best to you, okay?
Appreciate it, sir. Appreciate it, sir. Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. I'll enter not guilty plea on his behalf and give him a $0 bond.
Okay, thank you.
The current Tatum never showed. Who was his attorney? It's like Curtis Tatum. You don't have to. You don't have to.
You said, I wish I could just was like somebody at the time.
You don't have to. Mr. G. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gilmore. I see the note there for Ms. Bradfield. Oh, I'll dismiss the case, ma'am. You show Ms. Bradfield valid insurance?
Yes.
I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Waiting on a lawyer.
Wait, coming forward, Cordell.
No, that's why I don't know how I got that file. I think one of the attorneys mentioned that they were here on late. That's probably why it was pulled. They
Maybe
never
I
showed
pulled
up.
it, I'm saying.
Say that again. No, I think one of the attorneys, I think I asked for one of the attorneys. Oh, let's take this horn. Let's get her in.
Good morning, Judge. I was trying to see what number am I?
Yeah, you're last, Ms. G. No, you probably got to be last.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Turn your, or whatever you have in the background, make sure it's off when we call your case, okay?
Will do.
Thank you. Is that Attorney Edison? Have him come on in. Great.
Attorney Edison for Brian.
All Attorney Edison.
And this is Attorney Edison for Mr.
Jeffrey Edison. Three one three.
That's the phone number?
Yeah. 964-0400.
The call cannot be completed at this time.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lee would like to have MIDC appointed and adjourn the pretrial. I did get her contact information.
Can you put it in the chat, please?
Yes, is this the right chat?
Yes, that would, oh, that, I see that, yes.
Okay, excellent, thank you.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes.
All right. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of December the 2nd, 2025 at 8:30, I'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
All right.
All right, let me make sure that I get your contact information before you leave.
I'm typing. Here we go, just sent it.
Number 6342 in the last digits.
Yes.
Again, I'll ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on December the 2nd, okay?
Hey, what time?
At 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right. Is Martell Oliver, is that gonna be a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. There you go. Patience is the virtue.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oliver case is dismissed per city attorney.
And Mr. Oliver, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, I move for dismissal because I do understand when we convene with our people, you know, things happen. And also I'm appreciative that you were not the driver of the vehicle. So I took all that into consideration along with your marvelous attorney, Ms. Jenkins.
Oh man,
Thank you very
and thank
much.
you,
You're
Ms.
very
Jenkins.
kind.
All right,
And thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks.
Y'all have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Well, all right.
Thank you.
Let me get Miss Jenkins started on Gardner. This is the city of Detroit versus Katia. Did I get it correct? Gardner, state of Michigan versus Katia Gardner. Case numbers SP 158337771, SX 4161796. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, please state your full name for the record.
Katia Gardner.
It looks like today is the date and time set for trial.
Today is the date and time set for trial. I did have an Officer Houston that did appear, but I don't see Officer Houston now. And I don't think I've ever seen an Officer Martin. Ms. Horn.
Your Honor, I did speak with Officer Houston. I don't have my notes, but I haven't spoken with Officer Martin, I don't believe, this morning either.
All right, very well. Get Miss oh, run her driver's license.
What's her name? I was gonna ask, do we know if her license is valid?
Oh, I think Daniel Martin is no longer with the force.
Daniel Martin is no longer with the force.
I believe so.
Ms. Gardner, state your name for the record, please.
Katia Gardner.
Yeah. Say that again.
Katia Gardner.
Katia Gardner, that's what I said first, right?
Yeah, it is.
Good afternoon to you. We'll run the license. The license is valid.
Awesome. Thank you, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the people. The people will move to dismiss all matters.
Right,
thank
Gardner,
you.
We still owe money on this unsafe manner ticket that you got on Commonwealth. All right.
That is correct, Judge. I've seen that, and I'm trying to work on that. So I've been spending my money trying to get my license and everything in order.
You got it. No, congratulations, Ms. Gardner, and best of luck to you. Your cases are dismissed. I'll wait the warrant fee. All right.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Prosecutor.
Oh, absolutely. You're welcome, Ms. Jenkins.
Free to leave.
Do the offers.
You're free to leave, Ms. Gardner.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
City of Detroit, Ms. Jenkins versus Deshaun G. Case number, strike that, State of Michigan versus Deshaun G. Case number SX 459-62611. Appearance for the record, please.
Tana Jenkins, PA 2663 on behalf of Mr. G. Mr. G, please state your full name for the record. You're gonna have to take yourself off mute.
All right.
Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Deshaun G. Jr.
Thank you.
I need to turn your camera on, sir. Good afternoon to you. Day and time set for a show cause. purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll waive a formal reading, ask that the show cause be set aside, and stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
Whether or not guilty plea on Mr. G's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. G, join the room, speak to Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have David. You spoke to Mr. Hoffman.
Yes, David.
He's got a motion for discovery violation.
And you ordered that?
Lee and Lindsay, Antonio Lee and David Lindsay. Ms. Bradfield, are you ready?
Ms. Horn, if you could check your message.
I will.
Thank you.
All right, do you want to take another one, Ms. Bradfield?
I could take a look.
Yes, Your Honor.
In-camera review going on right now. So, Mr. Hoffman, make your motion. I have no defense.
Let's go back on the, let's get Ms. Catherine G started right quick. This is the city of Detroit versus what is your middle name, Ms. G, if you have one?
Marcella. Marcella. Yes.
City of Detroit versus Catherine Marcella Lee. Case numbers.
Marcella.
SP 17796. Let's strike that. City of Detroit versus Catherine Marcella G. Case number SP 1779681, SP 1779691. Appearance for the record, please.
Tiffany Bradfield on behalf of Ms. G. State your full name for the record.
Catherine Marcella G.
All right, good afternoon to you, ma'am. Date and time set for a set for a pre-trial. Is that set for a pre-trial?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bradfield's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Put you in a breakout room with her. So let us know what you want to do when you come out. Her license is valid. Her license is valid. G. She has a disregarding. She has a disregarding the red signal.
We can do a blockading on that, Ms. Bradfield. And dismiss the license issue. It looks like her license is valid.
All right, okay. Let's pass the matter. Go ahead, Ms. Bradfield. Speak with Ms. G, please.
And Your Honor, I might zoom in on my phone so it look like a funny device, not my same one.
We're ready now. Unless you want to go look at something.
No, I'm in an in-camera review with Judge Ramsey Heath. We're reviewing video with the defendant.
Okay, let's call it. Let's go back on the record with Mr. David Hilton Lindsay. Mr. Hoffman, go ahead with your motion.
Judge, I'm renewing my motion whereby discovery request was respectfully made on October 19th, 2025 in this matter. That gave the prosecution enough time to get discovery to me. There is more discoverable material and it has not been provided, thereby rendering me unable to proceed at trial. For that reason, we're asking you to dismiss these matters without prejudice. My client understands that they can be brought back at the discretion of the prosecutor.
Yes, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303. And is that referring to your client, David Lindsay, Mr. Hoffman?
Yes, sure. Yes, Madam Prosecutor.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. The people have no defense at this time. I believe it's an oversight on my part. So the tickets may be reissued. However, discovery has not been sent.
Officer Smith, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please, for Mr. Lindsay?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm Officer Smith, badge number 3865, and I work for the Detroit Police Department.
Good afternoon to you. All right, case is dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you all.
And
Officer Smith.
Yeah, and Officer Smith, I'll send an email to you, explaining everything and also, requesting that you possibly reissue the ticket if you're willing.
Yes, I will. All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Devon Lee, case number SP 1645618, counts 1, 2, and 3. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1782754, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Lee, state your name.
Antonio Lee.
Judge,
Lee.
This matter is set for trial. My understanding is that there have been complaining witnesses that have appeared ostensibly to give testimony against the defendant at trial. But there's been some material that's been requested as a matter of discovery, some videotape and dash camera or body camera evidence, which we believe will tell a side of the story very important to Mr. Lee. However, that material has not, as of today's date, been turned over. We're asking you to consider that because of that reason, the defendant is not prepared for trial, and that we ask you for that reason to consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice. My client's been advised he understands that the prosecutor at their discretion may reissue these cases if they wish.
All right, you state your name for the record, Mr. Lee?
Antonio Devon Lee.
All right, go ahead, Madam Prosecutor Horn.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. The people have no response and stand mute, and therefore we will ask that Officer Ossie and Linton will reissue those tickets.
I did have appearances from Officer Linton and Officer Ozzie. Both. I didn't think Officer Linton appeared, but now I see, but they are not here now. I'm going to dismiss the case. That's what your motion was, Mr. Vaughn.
Yes, Your Honor, for dismissal without prejudice. Please.
The case. There's nothing further. Mr. Lee, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, everyone.
I thank Mr. Baldwin.
You're welcome, Mr.
On the
Lee.
iPhone, be safe, Mr. Lee. All right, Ms. Horn. On the iPhone, what about Loper? Did Ms. Horn, I guess Ms. Bradfield has something for Loper.
Yes, I'm still waiting for response regarding Loper and now Ms. Gee.
Since you something in the text that she did it in the.
Okay, Loper is, what time is she?
Give me a second. Give me.
It's at 8:25. I think Loper was arraigned on the bench warrant.
Okay,
8:30. Yeah.
3 months.
Allowing unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor.
3 months delayed in the allowing.
I sent you a message.
Okay.
iPhone, what's your name, sir?
All right, we'll have to talk by message, Ms. Bradfield. I'll be back.
Okay.
What's your name? iPhone, Mr. Lindsay, you're free to leave. Cases are dismissed.
This is, I think you talked to me, Emmanuel.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I'm talking to you, sir.
Oh, Emmanuel Grayson.
Emmanuel who?
Emmanuel Grayson.
Gracie?
Grayson, Grayson.
Good afternoon to you.
Nothing all.
GRAYSON, Emmanuel Sean Grayson,
Yes.
and 121085.
80.
Huh?
Because your client.
121085.
Just zoom in, just zoom in. So Judge Henry.
121086. I got a couple of cases. A bunch of cases. In warrant status. One of them's coming up. 2 M's in Emmanuel or 1? He's frozen.
Is he on the docket, Judge?
No. All of them warrant status. Fix that. Oh, no, it's this arraignment. Yeah, he's on the docket for this out.
Okay.
He's got a bunch of different cases. Come back at 1:30.
Yeah.
Fix this, please. The one is, I put it out 2 of them. So one of them is coming up. I don't know if he's the same individual. It's got to probably be the same.
What's the last
Different-
digit on the birthday?
The same birthday, but at 86 and 85 are the 2 different dates. And one's got a Highland Park address and the other one only has, you have 2 M's in Emmanuel or 1?
We run a driver's license to the pirate.
Go ahead. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Mr. G, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a free trial date.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, come back, Mr. G, on December the 2nd, 2025 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you.
Officer Dabowski,
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
your client's been done. What was your client's name?
It was Gabriel.
Gabriel. Was that set for, yeah, Gabriel was, they gave her a blocking traffic.
Okay.
No, wait a minute. Gabriel was given a blocking traffic, I believe. Yes.
Okay.
Be safe.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. We're good.
So this was.
Are we ready on G? Or local?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
Edison, your defendant never appeared. I understand he had got the date mixed up.
No, in fact, Your Honor, when this matter was, trial date was first set, it was set for November 11th. And in fact, in my correspondence with Ms. Warren, I referenced Tuesday, the 11th, being the trial date, you know. So it's
well, in the computer, I guess it got mixed up. Officer Bradfield, can you come back tomorrow morning? I know you've been here all morning, but can you come back tomorrow morning?
Yes, Your Honor. What time should I be back?
What? We're closed tomorrow?
Yeah.
No, we're not. Tell me something.
We are judged.
Oh, well, I didn't know that at all.
Wait, you come back and say.
I'm good with that. All right. You
Help
wanna, you
us out saying that.
almost did, almost did. You wanna, talk to, see if you can resolve it, or do you wanna come back on Thursday?
It would have to be, the 18th, Your Honor, would be the earliest date, on my schedule, would be the 18th, next, Tuesday.
Is your schedule open for the 18th, Officer Bradford?
Yes, sir. I can make it open for the 18th.
I marked that you've been here all morning, let's call it, this is the city of Detroit versus Joaquin Gray, case number U719433325. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeffrey Edison, on behalf of Joaquin Gray, who is not present, I would ask that his presence be waived for purposes of this preliminary matter.
All right, and Officer Bradfield, good morning, good afternoon to you, I'm sorry. Bradford, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record?
Yes. Police Officer James Bradford, badge 697, Detroit Police Department, 3rd Precinct. Excuse me.
All right. So off the record, there's been a mix-up of some sort. It happens sometimes, and what we'll do is we will reset. Officer Bradford, you indicated that you'll be available on the 18th. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Edison, you've been in contact with your client, correct? And
Yes.
You'll have him available here on the 18th, right?
That's correct, Your Honor, yes.
All right, come in first thing and 18th in the morning. It's set for 9 a.m. But if you guys come, the earliest you get here, the quicker I can get you out. All right.
Your Honor, is this in person or is it Zoom again?
It's like Burger King. You have it your way. That's the best I can. That's the best I can come up with.
We will be in person, Your Honor.
All right. Can you
Fine,
make it?
Yeah, I'll make it.
Very well. Be safe and have a very good rest of your day, everyone. And we'll see you soon.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you, Your Honor, for accommodating us. Thank you and your staff for reaching out to me. Thank you.
All right. G and local. Are we ready on anyone?
No, Your
Mr.
Honor,
Pratt.
No, Your Honor, I'm still waiting. I believe Ms. Horn, I don't know if she's still in trial or not.
All right. Mr. Grayson. Mr. Grayson. Is that one? Yeah, I don't let him wait.
He can be patient. I know you trying to serve everybody.
No, I'm all right.
I mean, it's only, 60 minutes. He gonna get served. It's fine.
This thing. Turn your camera off. Let's see if that works better. I'll turn the camera off. Mr. Grayson?
Yes.
All right, you're gonna have to wait. You came in early. You're not set until 1:30, okay?
You said 1:30?
Yeah, just if you can sit here or just zoom back in at 1:30. I have you at the top of the list though.
Okay.
What's his name?
Emmanuel.
His name is Emmanuel Grayson, 1:30. He's got a lot more than meets the eye on the docket though.
Okay, got you.
He's got a lot more. All right.
All
You
right.
gonna sit, Mr. Grayson, or are you coming back?
I'm gonna just come back.
Okay,
Actually, can I speak to him in a breakout room?
you may, but Ms. Mathis wants you guys to do it at 1:30.
It's no problem. I just want to get a jump on stuff.
Very good.
Oh, she coming back. Well, she fine if she wants. You want to give him a date?
He's in there. Oh, if you're gonna give him a
Yes,
date,
but
give him.
he may need a court-appointed attorney, so I'm gonna go speak to him and see if he needs a court-appointed attorney, so we can get that started. If so.
He's in
I
there.
like doing for
Okay, thank you.
Helps us get them off the dock.
I know, but they about to change it. I gotta get trained. They gotta interview me.
What is that?
Just another, instead of the way I be entering and printing out little sheets, they got something else.
I think you do an excellent job on
With the court appointed?
that, making those things and making sure that they're in there.
Yeah, I can do a little bit better. It's a lot. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate you. And thank you for asking me to be your clerk. I forgot to thank you for asking me to be your clerk almost 2 years ago.
You did. I thought you were ready to get up out of here.
We got to thank you. But y'all heard that, you too.
I don't know who Laurel is. I don't know if I'm sick.
So you thought I was weak.
Get out of here.
Judge, you living too good when you don't know when the off days are.
I'm like a kid in candy store now. No work tomorrow. What? I don't know what I'm doing. So usually I have something planned out.
Might be snowed in.
I should help Kim Kardashian pass the bar, shouldn't I?
Hey.
I could.
She trying to be like her daddy.
I could, Albert.
Oh,
She gonna get it though.
she gonna get it. Just like her vibe. Kim Kardashian.
She's probably in her 40s.
Oh, she young. She can still. All right, for a long time. She in her 40s. Let's see how old she is.
She is 45.
Oh, yeah. She can be turning for about 20, but not 20.
But as long as she can keep her, as long as she can get her mind is good. And she
If
lives.
you help her, Judge, just invite us to the party that she's going to have. Like, I gotta bring my staff.
I'm sure it'll be big.
When she makes the bar.
I'm sure that's what I should start doing. I helped somebody else pass the bar recently.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
How you doing?
My cousin. He was a little bit timid and he had taken it a few times and we talked. I had a number of conversations about what he should do and how he should do it and he did it. He sent me the results a couple of weeks ago. Actually, I heard about it before he sent it to.
He live in Michigan?
No, he lives in California, actually, but he took the Indiana route.
Oh, okay. Is that easier?
Well, I don't know. According to everybody, the California bar is one of the hardest ones to take.
Okay.
But for Kim Kardashian, it's going to be probably a little harder. Now, from my understanding, she got very, very close this time, but it's going to be a little harder because she didn't go to law school.
Oh, she did. How does she? That you can do hours in California?
No, you can just take the bar in California. But she did take a mini bar, so she did an internship or something like that, I understand, with the law firm, and she took the mini bar and passed it. I don't know what the mini bar entails, and I guess the mini bar is just basically saying to me that if you take the mini bar and pass it, then you're likely to pass the other bar or something. But if you can pass that,
So she passed the mini bar.
she passed the mini bar. So she's telling me that.
So in California, you don't have to go to law school.
No.
Wow.
You don't have to go to law school. There was a guy that took the mini bar about 20 times. I mean, the bar exam, I think, about 20 times, and he finally passed it. But I think when she takes.
And you just a lawyer out of California with the law school.
Yeah.
Just out there acting.
You can be anything in California. You can anything you want to be. You go to California to do it.
That's Michigan.
That's why they go there, right?
Absolutely.
I was telling you, it's better to come out there.
I guess that's why they make it so hard for you to pass the bar too.
That is what?
You gonna go take it this Mac?
Ready on Mr. Grayson?
Yeah, yes.
Let Miss Mathis wants Miss Grayson come back at 1:30 anyway.
I didn't. Was that
Mr. Grayson, that's what you said, right, Miss Mathis?
I thought it was Mr. You said Mr. Well, not since she went into the breakout room. I guess I just came back. I want me to just pass out, huh?
See, that's why she's got the right to get this her break. Can you check to see if Green has done his community service on it?
Yeah, I was looking at that.
What about Loper or G? Those are the ones we need to concern ourselves with.
I know. That's why I did Grayson, because I'm still waiting on a response. I guess she's still in trial.
Text Miss Warren, please.
She on Zoom? She said she.
I know we got to push it because we got.
They all prosecutor.
And
all of these rules and regulations that they can't.
Did put Mr. Grayson's contact information in the chat box.
Oh, he's getting together. He getting a new date.
Yeah, new date. Yeah, new date. No offer, new date.
He getting a court-appointed attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
We call Miss Shelton. Miss Shelton. So if you got your associates, you could just go to Cooley Law School and get a law degree. You said
In Michigan, you don't have to.
you said if they let you in.
Yeah, if they let you in.
Oh, they might not let you in.
Yeah, because you have to, if you have just an associate, they're probably gonna want to see some very good grades and a good LSAT score. But in Michigan, you don't have to have the bachelor's degree for BLA.
Judge wants me to verify how you doing this show time? Okay. I'll find. Likewise, I gotta do the same thing. I know, just stay prayerful. I know it's so kind of cold this morning and all. I'm not ready for that, you know.
I don't know what happened to Rock. She fell off. I'm gonna bring this Laurel in. See if this Rock.
I know I'm gonna keep a broom in my car short, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I know, it's like so irritating.
Laurel, good morning to you, and good afternoon to you. State your name, please.
Judge wants me to verify
The W.
agreement, see if she can feed her service.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Very well. Good afternoon to you. What's your full name?
Laurel Brandon Forbes.
Laurel Brandon Forbes. I think you may be in the wrong courtroom.
No. Wanda Brown from Transfer Life had sent me to you because I got trouble trying to get my license in order. So I want you to see if you can amend those decisions.
No, that won't happen. Give me, is Brandon Forbes a hyphenated name?
I'm sorry?
Is Brandon Forbes a hyphenated name or is
No, it's Laurel. My first name is Laurel. Brandon is my middle name.
What's your last name?
Forbes, Forbes.
I don't see anything you have open. You have a $240 fine for a no ops. But that is Larry Williams case. Other than that, I don't see anything else you have open.
So my license is not revoked. I can actually get it back.
I don't know that. I don't know that.
Okay.
All I know is that you pled for a no ops in front of Judge Larry Williams. And
Right.
you need to pay $240. I don't know what the status of your license was before you did that or the implications that has on your license. I have no clue.
Okay.
So if you wanted to reconsider that $240, you would have to go Judge Williams, back to Judge Williams.
Okay. So if I pay that, he'll probably lift it.
Pay that, no, that's not the case. You've already pled guilty. So you would have to have a reason in order to see what you're driving on a revoked license. I see probably what's going on. You're driving on a revoked license and you pled guilty to a failure to display. The fact that your license was already revoked and you were driving on a revoked license, it probably pushed your ability to get a license back even further. That's probably what's going on, right?
Yes.
So you would have to go seek your relief if Judge Williams will allow you to set aside that guilty plea based on that. That's up to Judge Williams. He's the one that would be your person to contact.
Okay. So just okay. Let me write down Judge Williams. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Man, I don't understand.
Miss Devonna Green, I sent a referral back in October, but she never applied. So she'll pause her. All right.
All right, I don't know why people are telling me to come to me for some other else's cases.
They said they'd be requesting.
All right, what are we waiting on Loper and G for? What are we waiting?
Your Honor, I'm trying to see, can I get a straight dismissal on Loper? And for G, I'm trying to see, can I get a blockading? She took the course, so I'm trying to see, can I get a blockading?
Well, that's what the offer was. Let's go back on the record with Miss Catherine G. Miss G, the offer is blocking traffic, $175. You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Can you repeat that?
Blocking traffic, $175, 0 point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points.
I wasn't blocking traffic. I had,
Miss G.
yes.
Let me explain right quick. You are charged with disregarding a red signal. That's a
Correct.
3-point. That's a 3-point offense. The city's willing to amend that disregarding a red signal down to a blocking traffic. That's a 0 point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. The other matter is going to be dismissed. Do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, Councilman.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. G, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. You understand what's going on now, Ms. G?
Yes.
All right. When can you pay? $175.
I won't be able to pay till the 19th.
All right, pay it by the 24th, ma'am, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Ms. G, that's November the 24th. Pay it by November 24th, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Loper. There's no response from the city. I can either set a trial date or she can take the offer that they apprised her with.
I'd rather set it for a trial date then, Your Honor. I don't want her to accept that offer.
All right, trial, Ms. Loper. Do you hear that, Ms.
Yes, I
Loper?
know I'm not supposed to.
Yes.
They gotta train me on.
Our trial date is gonna be December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, Ms. Loper. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I wrote all this stuff up. Grayson. All right, that's gonna conclude the morning, Ms. Mathis. I'm gonna give you host abilities.